Item number 23, affidavit opposition has been filed sometime back and it got misplaced. We need 2 weeks time to give a reply to that.
When was the affidavit filed?
Sometime back, my lord, got misplaced. I mean, like
Mr.
2
B.
weeks
Chakaput,
I filed.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner admits that an affidavit on behalf of the state respondents has been filed recently.
No, sometime back, my lord, not recently.
Has been filed, and he prays that he be granted 2 weeks' time to file a response thereto on behalf of the petitioner. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again for 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Maybe your lordship. But item number 7, my lord. Now, can it be on next week, my lord? Any day
What?
on next week.
No, last time also we adjourned this matter.
Next week, my lord. Today, my lord, there are some difficulties, my lord. Any day, my lord.
Let it reach. Let it reach. We'll see. Yes, madam.
My lord, item 28 and 35 may come up next week, my lord. 28
Why?
and 35.
Why?
My lord, the council has some personal problem, my lord.
Which council?
SB Chaudhary.
Item number?
28 and 35. Next week.
We'll see when the matter reaches. She's not in court today.
No.
A prayer is made on behalf of Ms. S.B. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on account of person inconvenience. Item number 28 and 35. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Registry to list this matter again on 27 Quedia. 27/1/2026.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship.
17.
17.
Yes, why?
Lordship, we are directed to file an affidavit in this.
You are directed to take information. There is some 38 posts kept
Yes,
vacant.
Lordship.
Now, why is this not being taken forward? Similarly situated persons have been accommodated.
Yes, Lordship.
Why these people are being discriminated? Any special reason for that?
No, Lordship.
Then,
Lordship, in this matter, Mr. R.R. Kaushik is appearing. He had some miscommunication with the officials, so he couldn't get the instruction. Lordship, kindly give us 2 weeks time, Lordship.
have you, Mr. Bora, what do you say?
Not have the, my lord. Interim protection is there, but
Interim protection is there, but that is
yeah,
not
but
the end of the matter.
interim is not.
You have filled up the rest 150 posts.
I have no instructions, Lordship, regarding that. Lordship, can it come, may it
Let-
come after 2 weeks, Lordship?
They may be asked to have the specific.
After 2 weeks.
Mr. C. Sharma, Learned, Standing Counsel, NC Hills.
No, Lordship, I am not the standing counsel. R.R. Kaushik is the standing.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. R.R. Kaushik, Learned, Standing Counsel, NC Hills, for an accommodation in the matter today on account of personal inconvenience. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. D.P. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Full stop. On the next date of listing, the Mr. Kaushik shall apprise this court of the stand of the respondents represented by him with regard to the claim made by the petitioners in the writ petition. Also, no further adjournment shall be granted for the purpose to the respondents.
So after 2 weeks.
Registry to list this matter again on 2 weeks. Sorry. So 6/2/2025. 26.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item 12, your lordship. The matter has become infructuous.
You have been given that.
Yes, your lordship.
Miss
S. Sharma, on behalf of D. Chaudhary.
Ms. S. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that during the pendency of the present proceedings, the petitioners have been granted the reliefs prayed for. Also, accordingly, she prays that the present writ petition be closed as having become infructuous. Prayer accepted, writ petition stands closed on having become infructuous.
Obliged. May I please ask you, my lord, I beg to mention item number 41, my lord. Petitioner don't want to phrase this petition, my lord. 41, my lord.
Why?
My lord, the petitioner gave me the message, my lord, the final cut-off list, my lord, have already been published, and petitioner, my lord, not qualified with the sufficient marks, my lord.
Mr.
T. Sheikh, my lord.
T. Sheikh, learned counsel for the petitioners. Learned counsel for the petitioner, on instruction submits
Yes,
that the petitioners desires not to press the matter any
Yes.
further. Accordingly, he prays that accordingly he prays that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. Prayer accepted, writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Thank you, please.
May I please, my lord, item number 9, with the consent of the other side, we would like the matter to be adjourned for the day, and
They have circulated what is the reason?
the senior counsel, engaged senior counsel, Mrs. Saranya, is not at station right now.
Prayer is made on behalf of Mr. M. Sarania for an adjournment in the matter on the ground of personal inconvenience. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. So, accordingly, registry to list this matter again on
My lord, 3 weeks.
13 to 2025.
Obliged.
2026 day. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25. We have filed for an additional affidavit that may be called for.
Give that slip.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 16. My senior is not unwell. My senior is unwell today. As such, matter may kindly be adjourned for the day.
Huh?
Matter may kindly be adjourned for the
Why?
day. My senior is unwell.
From
Couldn't appear,
when?
but
Unwell from when?
since this morning, Lordship.
This morning. Mr. F. Khan.
Yes, Lordship.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. F. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that he is in this prayer accepted. A registry to list this matter again on 27/1/2026.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please the Lordship? I would like to beg to mention item number 14 and 29 with the concern of the other side.
14 and
29.
yes, why? What is the ground?
Senior advocate Ms. V. Bhuya has some personal difficulties.
Ms. Bhuya Borua,
Bhuya, B. Bhuya.
20? Item number?
Item number 14 and 29.
Oh, she's for the respondents.
Yes, Lord. For BTC.
You are still continuing as mother teacher.
Yes, my lord.
You are not being paid anything.
My lord, this is the third time litigation after
Others have been given some benefit.
benefit.
And the areas that were directed to be released, that also not been given full.
Only 35.
35,000, 36,000. You have to get more than that.
Yes.
And who is there for 20?
29, Lordship.
29, what happened? 29, this is also BTC. Why the payments have not been made?
Lordship, I have no instruction regarding this.
These people are waiting for such a long time. Here, the money is also sanctioned. Only thing is that he is to be released that amount. Ms. Bujaruva's case, we understand. Some adjudication. But here, there is nothing. Why is he kept hanging?
Instruction.
A prayer is made on behalf of Ms. B. Bhuya, learned senior counsel, appearing for the BTC authorities for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience. Item number 14 and 29. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again on 28/1/2026. And next date, I don't get the instructions. We are not adjourning. We will decide.
Lordship, beg to mention item for listing. Pension matter.
The listing before the senior bench. Yes, Mr. Bora.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 37. There are some developments. Pursuant to the last order, we have made representations that is pending.
What happened to the selection process?
Election process has come to a conclusion.
Appointments have been made.
But not all posts are filled up.
Okay, we'll see. We'll hear from them what has happened.
But in the last occasion, there was an IA, there was an order passed to give representation. The representation is pending.
Go ahead with the representation. Nothing, we are not asking them not to consider your representation, but what is left in the matter?
No,
Nothing.
no, Lordship, writ petition was filed before the declaration of the result.
Results. Now the
After
results have
result
been
is
declared. Have they qualified?
Thereafter, no.
Then?
Except one.
One.
Has
So
qualified.
he'll get through.
No,
Others
thereafter
will
he
have
filed
to
one
face
IA,
music.
Lordship. IA for staying the entire recruitment, Lordship.
Cannot be.
And that
No,
was
IA
disposed of.
disposed of.
That was disposed of by directing the authority to consider their representation. Now, presently it is under. So my view is, Lordship, in view of the order passed in the IA, Lordship,
That's what.
writ petition becomes infructuous.
Nothing remains here. Mr. Bora, 3F appointee. What right do you have? You have appeared in the selection process. You are plugged there.
Yes.
One has got through. He'll get the his case will be taken to the logical conclusion. As far as you are concerned, you have submitted a representation. If they want, they
That
will
is under
continue. If
consideration.
not, appear in the next selection process.
Lordship, what has happened? We were initially terminated. Then again
in
reappointed.
2024, you were brought back.
Yes.
Fine. Nothing. 3F. What right do you have? What right do you have, Mr. Bora? You're just a 3F appointee.
Lordship,
When is your initial appointment?
initial appointment was in 2016.
16. There are many people waiting. You have appeared in the selection process. If you have not got through, that's the end of the matter.
Lordship, what we are concerned with, initially they were terminated. We say that in 3F appointment, yes, there can be discontinuation, but there cannot be termination as such.
Anything, a rose by any other name will still be a rose. Will it not be?
Yes. In fact, it should not be considered as a termination.
A rose by any other name, that smell will still be of a rose.
Yes.
Termination, discontinuation, what difference does it make?
Lordship,
It's only a terminology used.
Lordship, in fact, the post they were holding, they were
We'll
recruited
consider
for a
when the
regular
matter is taken
appointment.
up. And Mr. Naik, they have submitted a representation.
Yes, that is under present.
Don't let it be an exercise in futility. You are
No,
a reasoned thing. If you want them, keep them.
no, what I have been informed, Lordship, some posts are still vacant.
They'll be
They may
accommodated.
again be recruited as 3F, Lordship. I don't know, Lordship. I'm not giving
They
any
cannot
commitment
be
also. It is under
recruited in any other
consideration.
manner.
Yes.
Until and unless they go to the APSC office and come back.
They will again have to appear, Lordship, in the next election.
Actually.
In fact, these are the people, Lordship, they participated in the recruitment of 2020 also. In that situation
So
also.
how will they qualify? You are making them to work so hard. They don't have time to study.
Now, most of them qualified, Lordship. And in that case, Lordship, filing 2020, Lordship, entire situation has been.
Mr. Bora is in trouble. One of his clients has got through. Others have not got through.
In that situation, Lordship, even the petition is not maintained.
We'll see. Let it come.
Lordship, can I seek an adjournment for today? I will also take some instructions.
No instructions are required. Everything is on record. We'll pass on.
Next week, Lordship,
This today.
deeply.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26. In this case, Lordship, the petitioner has already been selected in the 2025 recruitment.
Subsequent recruitment.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. R. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, on instruction submits that the petitioner desires not to press this matter any further. Prayer is not, and accordingly he prays that the matter be permitted to be withdrawn. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned CGC, appearing for the respondent. So, in view of the submissions of the Learned Counsel and the petitioner, the present petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Who is there?
That government was supposed to produce instruction.
Mr. Dhor. Where is Mr. Dhor?
Thanks, Lordship.
He's coming. Wait. Yeah, man. Hey, motors lo, itu nahi nahi. Power to nahi. Yes, Mr.
Lordship.
Kulta,
Lordship, I filed an additional affidavit, Lordship.
Where is it?
Query made by Lordship on the last October.
where is it?
Probably Lordship it didn't record, Lordship.
Not on record.
Additional affidavit. Lordship, it was filed long back, Lordship, on 29th of
Give
December.
me a copy.
Lordship, I have the copy.
এখন কি আছে কল কৰাই ল'ব। Okay, what is your submission?
Lordship, since as per the information, Lordship, they are still processing our cases, Lordship. And that that information has been provided, Lordship, subsequent to the notification that is challenged in this petition. So since Lordship notification even after issuing the notification, they were stating that our cases are in process. So Lordship, this petitioner were under bona fide presumption that Lordship, since the respondent are considering the application, Lordship, it will be considered.
Now, what do you say about the delay from 2016, 97,
That
2011, 2008?
Yes, that's absolutely
What do you say about that?
that part, Lordship,
Debabrata Tiwari.
that is there, Lordship. I am admitting that Developer theory is there. Even Developer theory prior to that, Lordship, Nagpur case is there. I am not done that. That point has already been considered, taken care of at the first round of litigation. Lordship, kindly have a look that since our case is still processing, Lordship. So,
Let
Lordship,
it be under processing till the time it requires. You have filed contempt petitions. Let the contempt petitions take its course.
contempt petition is still going on, Lordship. It is pending.
Now, why should we consider this writ petition? Same issue.
Only because, Lordship, since the 31st August, the 25 notification has been issued, stating that, Lordship, they will consider only those applications which has, Lordship, the cases which has referred the case of Abdul Bakshi's case. So since, Lordship, we didn't challenge the first notification of September,
Can't help it.
Lordship. For time, Lordship, and also, Lordship,
That we will consider
yes.
your challenge, and then we will come to a conclusion with that. That's all.
But simple submission, my humble submission is the only, Lordship, one chance may be given, Lordship.
Why
because-
all these 4 petitions have come together? All have different.
Yes, cases are different, Lordship. I have filed a
Cases are
joint
different. One is 2016, one is 97,
Lordship.
another is 2011, 2008. How
Yes.
can you have this 4
Lord-
together?
Yes. Lordship, I have just given a statement in paragraph number 2 on this stating, Lordship. The cause of action, Lordship, the grievance of all these petitioners are same, Lordship. Paragraph number 2 of my petition, Lordship, page 5.
No, I got it, but your facts are different.
Facts are, Lordship, yes. Facts are different, Lordship. So if Lordship, then
You have individual orders.
yes.
You can't.
Lordship, for a time, Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw the petitions to file it separately.
Mr. J. Kolita, Lanark Council, for the petitioner on instruction, submit that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition with liberty to refile the same if so advised.
Lordship.
Prayer is not objected to by Ms. M. Bachchaji, Learned's additional senior government advocate, and Mr. R. R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Forest Department. So in view of the above, the present petition stands dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as well.
Obliged, Lord.
Obliged.
Yes, what is?
On next week, my lord.
Why? Give me a ground.
Today not prepared, my lord.
Mr. S.P. Das,
Only.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays that he be granted a week's time to prepare the matter and make his submissions. They are accepted, registry to list this matter again on 28/1/2026.
On 29, my lord.
29/1/2026. No further adjournment shall be granted in the matter. Mr. K. Kolita is here.
No.
Your name?
L. Sangam, Lordship.
L.
L. Sangam.
L. Santam.
Yes.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Kolita is present. K. Kolita, Standing Counsel.
A. Sharma, Lordship.
A. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Oil, OIL, Oil India Limited is present. Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, House Fed were supposed to bring some instruction, my lord, regarding the.
Lordship, I'm praying for some more time, your lordship.
Right.
Actually, your lordship, the matter will be placed before the board again, because at that point of time, the board has taken a resolution regarding the gratuity, that it will be enhanced from 7 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Now, the problem which the House Fed is facing.
Now, where is that resolution of the board?
It's there, madam. Just a minute. Annexure 4, page 31, madam.
This is a different resolution. This is only with regard to pay. The pay scale is adopted.
Yes,
Madam.
Yes, madam.
Pay scale is adopted.
Yes, madam.
Whereas your gratuity is governed by the LIC
Yes, madam.
policy. Now, you don't pay LIC a revised premium. Why will they give you the enhanced thing? And that revised thing, decision was only after you retired.
But we were entitled to it, madam. We were entitled to the revised scale, madam.
Because this is not a government organization where the government is paying that.
If your lordship will kindly come to page 66, annexure 3, my lord.
Yes?
Yes, my lord. Here also they have admitted, my lord.
No, they have not admitted. They have said with immediate effect. Immediate effect is 26/3/2018.
That mistake the authorities have committed, my lord.
We can't help it. We can't help it because that
But for
premium
their-
is paid subsequently.
Your lordship, for the fall of the authorities, we being employees, we have given our service our whole life, and whatever we are entitled to, we should get it, my lord. And
Madam, there is a statement. I wanted this only from his mouth.
yes, madam.
That affidavit they have filed at page 102, para 6.
Yes, madam.
If you read the last few lines,
Yes, sir.
4 lines, ROP
Yeah,
to
yeah.
the house pay
Paragraph
only
6.
follows salary structure,
From
other benefits like so and so assessed by LIC on the strength of the premium deposited from the organization.
of House Fed. But
Now,
it's the authorities, my lord, House Fed authorities who should have paid the premium, my lord. If they have
not paid,
committed
how
the,
can we now make them
But
because
how
they
can-
are not paying the gratuity?
why should we suffer, my lord? And your lordship under 226 has got lots of power. Your
I
lordship
have
can operate.
powers.
Yeah.
There is no limit,
And-
but there is also a restriction on me that I should not overstep my limits.
Lordship, in this, it's applicable to my case, it's not applicable. Your lordship may kindly see this, it's not reported. So I have brought an order of the Supreme Court. Here the revised pay scale, single judge has given, division has reversed it. They have gone to the Supreme Court. And your lordship will kindly see the last paragraph, paragraph 18, my lord. Page 10 and paragraph 18. Ma'am. Your lordship will read paragraph 18, my lord. Here too, they have said ki if they are not paying it, it's the officers who were at that particular point of time, they should only pay from their own pocket, my lord. Your lordship will
This
kindly
is
say.
totally a different factual matrix.
I-
I was there in the appellate stage.
But lord.
This is APDCL matter, LGCL.
Revised pay scale, revised pay scale.
That
and once
is
they are
madam, an
entitled to it.
interpretation of
But
the provisions.
Lordship, kindly from the humanitarian side also, lordship, see, we were employees. we are entitled to it. Others are getting the enhanced scale, my lord.
You will get the enhanced pay. You will, there is no, have you
Yes.
got the enhanced pay?
Enhanced pay, ours is regarding just the debt and.
Because
some
Lordship,
debt.
they got retired prior to 2018, Your Lordship.
But
now
before but the act came into effect on 12/7/2017, my lord.
No, no, that adoption is,
1/4/2016, it came into effect.
adoption is of,
It came into effect from 2016, my lord. 1/4/2016.
this is 17/6/2017.
17.
And,
And we all retired from
no, no,
16 to.
no, no, after
17.
that also you, some are there who retired after that.
One retired on 39/16, another on 31/1/2017, 9/17, 3/17, 5/17, 11/17, 11/17,
11/17, one is there.
11/17, my lord. And the effect came on 1/4/2016, my lord.
So in your organization, from which date did you authorize them this pay? Forget the petitioners, your employees.
Lordship.
1/1/2016. Mr. G. Bodle, Learned Standing Council, Learned Council appearing for the respondent.
House Fed, Your Lordship.
Respondents.
For respondent number 6,
No, it's not only 6, you have.
managing director.
Three, 320.
4 and 6. 3, 4 and 6.
3, 4, and 6.
Summits that he
And
be
in fact,
granted
9 also. Lordship.
a week's time.
9 also, my lord.
Register of
And-
Cooperative
and-
Society.
And respond number 9, 3, 4, 6 and 9. Time to complete his instructions with regard to the query raised by this court vide the order dated 8/12/2025. Also, in addition to making his submissions with regard to the said query raised by this court, Mr. Bodle shall also apprise this court on the next date of listing as to the date from which the employees of the Housefed, no?
The house.
Yes. House Fed.
Housefed were authorized their revised pay in pursuance to the adoption by the board of the provisions of the revised pay rules 2017. In pursuance to the board's resolution dated 17/6/2017. Registered to list this matter again on 29.
It's not 29. Let it be
30?
in the, let it be in the first week of February, my lord.
Okay. 4. 2. So part of 9 aitu. 4/2.
Lordship.
What is your stand? Your respond number 8 is what?
Nice.
I am for respondent 7 years.
लिखी दिया नाम मेरा। Are present for their respective respondents.
My lord,
Report, no?
I'm sorry, my lord, that item 5 was called, I was on like, my lord. That top of the list matter, my lord.
You have got some instructions.
Instruction is that, my lord, the verbal instruction I took from the department, my lord. They are going by that, my lord, previous instruction. They said we have nothing.
How did you record this? That's the only thing I want.
My lord, record is, if we go to the writ petition.
See, the specific stand of the petitioner is
Regular
that he had never approached for correction of his date of birth.
Yes. If you go by, my lord.
Then where is your counter to that?
No, I approached verbally, no written.
No. It is not a case that you had declared 56 earlier and then you wanted to make it
No, I have
69.
not declared. I have not declared that. My case is 69. My lord.
Don't get excited. Wait.
My-
Yes.
My lord,
How did you arrive at this date? Just show me that. I'm with you.
my lord will come to page number 16 of the writ petition.
16. This date is there.
My lord.
Now you have sent this proposal.
My
So
lord,
if it is 34/2016, his date of birth would be sometime in 54.
54.
54.
56.
56.
54, 56.
56.
54.
And if
54, 60, 56. Sorry, 60.
he will
56.
be 20 plus.
We'll come to that. Boy service concept is already there. So there is no problem. If we hold it as 69 also, The boy service part from 14 years, 15 years to 18 years, that period, it will not be treated as qualifying for pension. That is a different thing altogether. But tell me, where did you get this 34/2016? There has to be some basis. And why was it not followed up when you recorded his date of birth in his service book? Same authority had made these proposals.
No, my lord, what happens? Service book is, my lord, maintained in the division. But my lord, when this regulation about what this went to the AG for his, my lord, pensioner, everything, my lord.
It does not go to the AG. From the division, the names comes up to your chief engineer's office. Then a scrutiny is made and then it is submitted to the government. Government will approve, finance will concur, and then they are regularized. Now tell me, when you put up the proposal, from where did you get this date, 34/2016 as his retirement date? There has to be some material somewhere. You cannot, the executive engineer cannot sit and write, no, his date of birth is 1956. Where is that proposal? Where is that basis on which that proposal was made? And mind you, is continuing in his services and you have not even filed a affidavit here. He's continuing.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have not filed an affidavit. Why?
Yes, my lord, we haven't filed the affidavit. The thing is that, my lord, in 2016, instruction was sent, my lord, to the council, my lord. Then there was change of government, and then, my lord, this matter did not get listed for a very long time.
You give what is the instruction?
Instruction is very severe. The instruction came in 2016. And, my lord, in June. And June, my lord, July, there was election, there was change of government, my lord. Council changed.
No, election was in March. Election in 16.
You say there, not me.
In March election.
This we have. Now, where is this material to show that his date of birth is 1/5/1956? It could have been 1954, it could have been 1974, where it could have been anything.
My lord,
why?
But the stand of the government is that at the age of 14, we never could have taken him as...
You have admittedly taken him.
No, my lord, we haven't taken.
Then you say that why did you regularize him then?
We regularized him. He was...
So show me what was his date of birth declared to you in your records.
My lord, that is what in regularization order, my lord. That list.
No,
his name
that
is there,
regularization.
That, my lord, this was never, my lord.
That regularization proposal is prepared basing on some material. What is that contemporaneous material?
The thing is that till today, he hasn't...
He need not. He need not. You show me how his date of birth was recorded as 1956. Simple. It cannot be as per your own presumptions and assumptions. He might have produced some document, or there has to be a master roll register. Therein his date of birth is recorded. Where are those materials? From where you prepared this proposal? And we have seen many cases wherein wrong details have been filled up in the proposals. Just show me that basis. I will do the needful.
My lord, I will get this. How this 1956 is recorded, my lord.
2 o'clock.
My lord, 2 o'clock I have another fixed matter.
You go wherever you want.
At 10, my lord, it is as per Congress fixed matter.
Mr. Dhar and I, now the issue is between me and Mr. Dhar. We'll see what can.
Let me accommodate for some time.
If it goes against you, I'll accommodate you. Mr. Dhar, today or you want some other day?
My lord, today, actually, my lord,
Mr. R. Dhar, Learned,
next week, my lord.
Standing Council, PWD, submits that he be granted a last chance to clarify, to apprise this court with regard to the queries raised by the order dated 11/12/2025. Prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 29,
29.
1/2026. No further adjournment shall be granted in the matter.
Much older.
Full stop. Registered to list this matter again, as a parted item, huh? Full stop. No further adjournment shall be granted in it.
29th. Much older.
Mr. Dot, just get that.
My-
Otherwise,
my-
we have to
my-
follow. Yes, Mr. Sharma, what is your?
Lordship, although I received an instruction which goes to show that the name of the petitioner appears in the dash data of 2015, 16 and onward. That goes to show that he.
No,
Lordship-
we have a affidavit from
Lordship,
the.
Lordship, that in all my fairness, I beg to submit that because the dash data is maintained by the SSA and they have shown the name of the petitioner appears from 2006, 7 and onwards. That according
Then
to
why
the
did your joint committee or something
Lordship,
come to this conclusion that he is not there?
that is
Now, who will bear the cost?
that is incorrect.
Now, who will
Because
bear the cost for the
I received,
deprivation method to the petition?
I received an instruction which shows that from 2014, 15, 16 and onward, his name appears.
But you say that his name is not there earlier in the order.
My affidavit says,
No, you forget your affidavit. Come to the order.
but in all my fairness, Lordship, I beg to submit that because the name appears in the dash data maintained by the Nepal Lordship, SSA, it deserves to be provincial.
Then from where did you get that dice data? You have some other dice data.
No, the
Then-
dice number is same, Lordship.
I
The-
got it.
the
Why
dice
did
number-
you, why was this
The dice number is
does
also
not
same.
appear in the dice data maintained by NEUP New Delhi up to 2011-12
Lordship,
for the school?
Lordship, that
Now, why that order was passed? And that is on the was passed by the director, basing on the your minutes of meeting dated
Lordship.
10/7/20 of the joint committee.
Lordship.
Now, who will be held responsible here? We are imposing cost.
Otherwise, Lordship, this SSA,
Now we are imposing cost. The director, elementary education, shall file an affidavit explaining as to why in the order dated 11/3/2022, it has been reflected that the name of the petitioner did not figure in the dice data maintained by NUEPA, New Delhi, up to the year 2011-12. The said conclusion was drawn by the director basing on the report of the purported joint committee. Also, the said aspect of the matter had led to the petitioner being denied of his provincialization of his services. Also, the SSA authorities having filed an affidavit and therein having brought on record the fact that in this school, the name of the petitioner is found to exist from 2006-2007. Although initially as MD, Abdullah, ABUULLAHA, till 2014-15 and thereafter as apostrophe between Abdullah, ABDULLAH. Also, the said aspect was permissible to be examined by the state level committee, state level scrutiny committee,
Lordship,
state level scrutiny committee in accordance with the powers conferred upon it under the provisions of rule or under the provisions of section
P1.
subsection 11 of section 13 of the Assam Education Provincialization of Services of Teachers and the Reorganization of Educational Institutions. bracket over Act 2007. So, in view of the above, the director shall file an affidavit explaining as to who is responsible for the said position obtaining in the matter. This court, upon receipt of the said affidavit, shall proceed to finally consider the present writ petition. Also, registry to list this matter again on 30/1/2026. The affidavit by the Director, Elementary Education be brought on record on or before 29/1/2026.
For
We
further,
are not going to leave it at that. Yes, Mr.
who words may be put, my lord, for further hearing.
I think come to me.
But otherwise, my lord, it may be
Mr. Sheikh,
it may
I
be
can
kept-
pass the order today. But there are many cases similarly placed wherein people have been deprived because of this findings of this joint committee. I don't know what that committee is. So let us see who is responsible what day.
Only thing is this, my lord, it may be for further hearing.
We will see.
Otherwise, my lord,
For further hearing.
yes.
What is your case?
Appointment of dresser,
Okay.
medical dresser. So
What is the marks scored by him and the others?
no, my grounds are that this selection
OBC, he is overaged.
overaged and
Yes, what is that?
My lord,
Who is there? Who is there for the private respondent?
I am paying for that.
Yes, what is your age?
For his matriculation certificate, my lord.
Hmm.
His date of birth is 1/8/1988, my lord. He's not overage.
that instruction I have also received, my lord.
Respondent number?
3.
HSLC? Date of birth?
1/8/1988.
So when was the last date of the application? Advertisement, submission of application?
But 35.
You are also an OBC candidate.
It is,
Mr.
the age should be.
You are also an OBC candidate?
Yes, my lord.
Last date, my lord, 24/9/2020. Till midnight.
So on that day, how old was he?
The age should be on 1/1/2020.
1/1/2020.
Yes.
Thirty-two years ago.
No, that date of birth. Yes.
1988.
8 August, no?
Anyway, 33 years.
He was 31 years or 32 years some months.
Yes, my lord. And in the petition, he is claiming that 51 years
51
over
years.
it.
And
Yes.
that
On the
school
basis of
certificate is
information.
of nothing, no use. We have a matriculation certificate now. How can we rely on the school certificate? Whether he is the same man or not, how can we know? Then the next point,
Next point is, my lord, he doesn't have experience, which is mandatory under. the
experience again is when both the persons have the same marks. You admittedly don't have the same marks.
I have experience, but he doesn't. Experience is mandatory.
Experience is a criteria.
Yes.
You get 66, he gets 100 something. Right?
Yes, but admittedly, he doesn't have experience. At all.
Show me the
Advertisement at page
My lord,
35.
3 years experience. Yes, what is that?
3
For
years.
the experience, there was no candidate who had experience under the NSM, my lord.
I have.
He had.
No. Because his appointment under the NSM is as Sokidar, not as dresser, my lord. I have got the instruction, my lord.
Okay.
So no,
Page
not as
28.
dresser, my lord.
Okay, what is the experience of a dresser for the private respondent?
The private respondent also
Does not have.
Yes, my
That
lord.
is the
Under
emerging matter, it
NSM,
does not qualify.
No,
Yes.
my lord, I have 1 year experience, my lord, I have placed that,
At least 3 years
3 years,
experience is required.
mandatory.
maybe 3, no, not 10 years, my lord, from 2010, my lord,
Where?
in a private nursing home, my lord. That is in the documents, my lord. Notice.
Mr. D.P. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, shall place on record the application form submitted by the respondent number 3, along with the documents accompanying the same on the next date of listing. Right? Only that much is to be looked into.
yes, my lord.
The experience certificate of the petitioner of the respondent number 3 as submitted by him along with the application. I'm not like to cut it here. Registered to list this matter again on 27. Right? 28/1/2026 for further hearing. Just get me that.
Yes, my lord.
And
My lord,
Mr. You file a additional
my
affidavit.
lord,
Bring on this one.
my lord.
Give him a copy.
Bless, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, instruction not received, my lord.
Who is to give the instruction?
My lord, respondent number 2 and my lord, 3 and 5, my lord.
Why they're not given?
It is under process, my lord.
What is under process?
The Paras committee is under process, my lord.
Huh?
The Paras committee is under process, my lord.
Under process. 2 o'clock we want it.
My lord, can it be, my lord, tomorrow?
Pension matter.
My lord, I'm not,
Have you given him a provisional pension?
No.
no, my lord.
Then?
My lord, just, I'm going through the file, my lord. I have seen, my lord, he expired on 2020. And he's
Not even the leave salary and gratuity also.
my-
He is no longer in life.
no, my lord. He is entitled for compassionate family pension, my lord. Up to 2026. That instruction is coming, my lord. That's all, my lord.
Oh, this is by the wife.
Yes, my lord. By
And
the
he
way,
died in 2020.
2020.
We are 5 years down the lane. What is
and
the
my lord-
officers doing?
And my lord, his service was up to 2026. This year, my lord. So he will be entitled for the compassionate family pension.
We are not, what he is entitled, why is he not being given?
But-
5 years.
Man, I'm aiming for the first time, my lord, in this case, my lord.
No, you have paid last time also.
No, my last time, my lord, I have received a copy, my lord. Can see, my lord.
Last time copy was given to you.
Kindly give me, my lord.
8/12.
One time, my lord.
We want the instruction why even a provisional family pension is not given.
Well, leave salary, gratuity also.
Gratuity, leave salary,
DPA was pending against him. I've seen, my lord.
everything washed off. Everything washed off. Once he is dead,
Right.
you will send the inquiry officer above, up there, or down below, wherever.
Not tomorrow, man. Not tomorrow, man.
Today, 2 o'clock.
Today, I have some difficulties.
What is the nature of your difficulty?
Some personal difficulty.
Then you ask your director to be here. Ask your director or commissioner, whoever it is, to come in. 5 years you keep a person, a woman in a destitute position, and this court will close its eyes.
That I have done. Not tomorrow, man. Kindly tomorrow.
And this case is of 23.
Tomorrow, man. Tomorrow.
On the prayer of Mr. S.P. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who assures that the instructions in the matter that he would apprise this court of the stage at which the claim of the petitioner for compassionate family pension and other pensionary benefits receivable by her in respect of the services rendered by her husband, late Vipul Chandra Borua, is presently pending. Mr. Das shall also apprise this court as to who is responsible for not releasing to the petitioner her pensionary benefits like leave encashment, gratuity, PCRG, gratuity no, GIS, GPF, etc. GPF paid, GIS, etc.
Yes.
As for respondent number 4, Your Honor.
Mr. R. Boro, Learned Counsel, appears for the respondent number 4. Who is there to? Miss A. Borua. What? Mr. R. Bora, Boro, and Miss A. Bothakur is present for their respective.
Right.
Tomorrow, my lord.
No more, madam. But this is cases of 2023, but I have received on the last date, madam.
Forget you receiving. Your office has received. Huh?
No, madam, they have not received.
They have not received.
No, madam.
No, they have not received any application or claim from you. Then what were they doing?
We have forwarded the proposal to the AG, madam.
Then?
After receiving, madam, we have proposal forwarded the
Forwarded.
AG.
Then?
But AG, what they are doing?
Then why have you not told me that?
There is no communication to show that that has been forwarded.
Kindly see, madam, paragraph 8, madam.
Paragraph 8.
Madam, paragraph number. Para number 15, madam. Para 14, madam. Para 15, madam. The petitioner beg to state that.
You have forwarded it only for the
And that-
CPF statement.
Yes.
Mr. Das, you have instructions or you don't have instructions?
I don't
It
know.
cannot be both together. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, December, 2 p.m.
Yes, madam. 2 p.m.
And no, otherwise whoever is coming here at 3 p.m. Not very far away, very only.
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
May please all. In this matter, my lord will kindly see the first order, my lord.
By order.
Yes. But basically, what happened was that the petitioner took admission in MA course in the year 18-19 session, my lord.
18-19.
18-19.
19-20. 20-21.
Yes.
21-22.
Yes.
20 there was no exam.
No exam.
21 there was exam. 22 there was exam.
Yes.
And you were allowed to participate in those two also.
Yes.
So 3 chances you have got.
Yes. Out of
COVID, that 1 chance got extended to 22. 20 became 22.
20,
Now where do I find another scope for you?
20 in the exam was held in the year 21. 21, no exam was held.
22 exam was done.
22
So
exam was
2 exams, you have to be given only 3 chances.
3 chances.
You have got those 3 chances. First one you appeared, failed. Second one, which was to be held in 20, was held in 21, you did not
They
appear.
did not appear.
21, which was to be held, was held in 22,
22.
you did not appear. Now where
Some
it is?
indulgence, my lord.
No indulgence.
And
I can't
otherwise,
because I am bound by my own order.
otherwise, my lord,
Mr. Das, I am bound by my own order.
my lord.
Yours is 2018-19.
18-19.
Similar situation 2016-17 I have dismissed.
But that case probably.
And in the appeal, same thing.
But they had.
Appeal also,
Yes.
COVID was one of the grounds.
But there, my lord, there they have already, my lord, exhausted on multiple occasions. They were attempting to appear in the exams in the year 2022, 16th session, my lord. Here, my lord, the session is 18-19. Only 2 papers, man.
Division bench under same circumstances said they had 3 chances given. In the case of Jyoti Mohan Nath,
Yes.
3 chances were given. You also have 3 chances. What more is required?
If we include the first.
Naturally,
Year,
that has to
2019.
be included. Because it was of COVID,
Yes.
that the second examination, that's consequently 3, that second could not take place. But immediately they had 2 other. You did not.
But
What were you doing at that point of time?
She was going through a divorce, my lord. That's why.
Tragic, but can't help it. I can't change the law.
Because, my lord, this Jyoti Mohan's case, my lord, they were of 15-16 batch. They were attempting to
16,
appear.
17 batch.
Yes, they were
16,
attempting to appear in the 22 exam after 5-6 years. Here it's, my lord, within the bracket, but only 1 more chance, my lord, 2023. Because naturally, my lord, the period was 19 till 2022. 1 exam was not held in the year 2021. So basically, my lord, my ground is that, my lord, he perhaps has another chance left of in the year 2023. That much, my lord.
Yes, what do you have to say?
Lordship, our affidavit in opposition will cover up all these things and
Oh,
yes, Lordship.
where should I come for that affidavit in opposition?
Lordship,
Where
actually,
can I receive that affidavit in opposition?
we have filed.
You will file.
Yes, sir. We have filed already.
Is there, you have already filed?
Already filed, yes.
Where? Oh, you have already filed.
Yes, Lordship.
You have already.
They are supposed to file reply.
Yes. No, you have only copy pasted the earlier order. So that's give me some handle, I'll do. I'm tied up by a division bench order and my own order.
Lord's
The
will
ratio is to be applied.
Yes.
Can be 16, 17 years, maybe 18, 19.
18,
But the
18.
ratio will apply.
But normally duration is 2 years, can be extended to 4 years. So 15, 16 session would have expired by 2018-19. They were attended
16, 17 would have expired by
4 years.
16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20, 21.
2021.
And yours would be 18, 19,
18, 19.
19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22. 4 years.
But I have the judgment, my lord.
And this case is filed in 24. Yes, what is
They
your...
were of a 2015-16 batch. 15-16 batch.
My judgment, it is 16, 17 batch. You have the appeal.
Yes.
Jotina. Yes, which paragraph? 16, 17. No, I'm holding the appellate order.
Appellate order.
But this is different. Anything more, Mr. Das?
That's my case.
But Monday. Dismissed. I'm sorry, Mr. Das.
Hello.
Sympathies are with you, but I can't go beyond my orders.
Obliged.
Yes. Mr. Counsel, take your seat. Yes.
In this case, Lordship, he already take the VS, Lordship, but to give him MSCP.
Now tell me, what is the procedure in your organization for grant of MSCP? How are the employees granted MSCP?
Since the procedure as per the
What is that procedure? I don't know. I want to know. I have never got an MSCP in my life.
Lordship, only dispositive we will consider him.
No, not consider. We don't want he does not want your magnanimity. He wants the application of law. How are the employees in your department or in your organization granted MSCP?
10 years, 20 years, 30 years. That is the.
I got it. So I complete 10 years. Thereafter, if I don't make an application, I'm not considered. Or it is considered, everybody is considered.
Yes, that is a mistake, Lordship.
No, what is it? What is the position? Without an application, no consideration.
Okay, it should be considered, but it was the mistake, Lordship.
That not considered.
On that time.
By mistake, not considered.
Lordship.
Then how can he be denied?
So we'll give him.
You need not. We are giving it with interest.
Lordship,
And you will recalculate his VRS dues also.
For financial, the food calculation, the approval for the finance is required because earlier.
Why should we do? You have made a mistake, you pay. I'll give a time frame within that you pay.
Earlier we pay our salaries from our own source, but from the after the GST, we completely depend on the government. So
fine. You depend on whomever you want, but this man should get his dues within a period of 3 months from today.
Approval from the finance is to give the benefit.
We are not concerned.
Otherwise,
we are not concerned.
But as on that, they both have no fund, Lordship.
The fund, if it is not there, top the salaries of your chairman and others and pay him.
Only from the finance department we get the benefit.
We cannot, because this man has been deprived. because of your fault.
It's too lossy, but so lossy.
3%,
Deposit lossy with a
17
direction
onwards,
lossy.
another increments, 17. When did you get your voluntary retirement?
2015
2000?
to 24.
24.
Yes.
17, 7 years, 7 increments. Substantial amount.
It's too lossy. I am admitted lossy, but
We'll record that.
also only recorded we have after GST the collection of sales is.
We are not concerned.
Finance.
Have you said that in your affidavit somewhere? That you don't have the money?
That is not not.
Then that cannot be a ground also. You have not said that in your affidavit, have you?
It's not.
And 2 affidavits. Why? Contrary affidavits.
Yes, sorry.
You are only making mistakes. Now you will pay for that. But Mr.
Sure.
Had learning council party namgita loilo basore.
Can recorded approval from finance is required.
We cannot. We'll not make our subject our orders to approvals
Because
from
finance is the party lossy in this case.
we are least boarded. We are least boarded.
Otherwise, we are unable to pay him loss.
You are unable to pay, stop your payment of your authorities. Tell if you don't have money, close down. Nothing is going to happen. Close down. Close it down. Let some government look after those boards. Your board is not in a position to function. Why is it continuing?
Now we have received a financial aid from the government. So
fine, you pay him with that.
For that, approval of finance is required.
We are least boarded. We are least boarded.
Only recorded my submission loss that maybe.
Will not make that. I'm sorry, but that's not there on record.
That's it, sir.
Mr. Counsel, we are allowing your petition. You will be granted that benefit from 1/1/2017. Then they will refix your pay on the date when you proceeded on day prior to the date when you proceeded on voluntary retirement.
Yes.
And they will revise the voluntary retirement benefits to you. Entire benefits will be given to you within 3 months. We'll pass the order at 2:00.
Only kindly record that, but because
I am sorry, I'll not.
has been.
I'll rather deprecate your stand, contradictory stand, and I'm imposing a cost also.
Well, loss it, no. Within 4 months, loss it.
4 months done. You have your instructions. If you undertake that within 6 months, you are doing it. Even I'm giving you 6 months, you are doing it. I'll not impose cost, but you will have to undertake. You do that, no cost. Otherwise, there will be heavy cost. Tell me at 2:00.
At 2 loss it.
Shall I have to be present?
Need not be.
Once we can dispose it with that direction, we will consider him.
No consideration. Direction mandamus. And interest.
At 2 loss.
Interest at 2.
At 2.
You get your instruction.
Right.
Mr. Bosho, how can we help you here?
My lord, admittedly punitive transfer order. That has been admitted by the authority, my lord.
So we will quash this transfer order, direct them to issue a show cause notice to you, basing on your reply to take whatever steps they want within a period of 2 months.
Or I may be allowed to join.
Where? You have not joined. You have not joined till now.
No.
You're gone.
My lord, I am on medical leave, man.
How long can there be medical leave? What is your ailment? What is your ailment?
My lord, I have to look after my ailing mother.
Ailing mother. That is your ailment. That is the
Her
medical.
ailment is heart problem, my lord.
You are on medical leave. How
And
can a medical leave be granted for somebody else's ailment?
my lord, I'll please that. Case 23.
20?
3.
Benign,
My lord,
not
I
a
leave it-
malignant one, it's a
my-
benign one.
My lord, I leave it to your lordship, my lord. She is a contractual employee, my lord.
You have not joined back.
My lord, she is a contractual employee.
But she is behaving like that she is some pig. Without her, the whole organization
My
cannot
lord,
function.
that is not correct, my lord. She is a contractual employee. It's a small data,
Mr. Bashaw,
my lord.
the entire organization is a contractual organization.
My lord.
NHM is nothing but contract.
She is in the lower strata. If
Wherever
the,
she is.
If the person like her who works in
The
minimum
Supreme
wage,
Court
my lord.
decision on transfer is that you have to join
My lord.
and then make a challenge. That would have shown you a bona fide. Now, how can we help you? 19, your transfer order is of?
24.
27/9/2024.
You have not terminated her services. Why?
This is pending before the no.
How many siblings do you have? Brothers, sisters?
No, my lord.
No one. Take your mother along with you. You're not married?
No.
Then? Married? Oh. So you're not living with your husband, you're living with your mother.
We don't have any sibling, your lordship, that's why my mother stays with us.
Stays with you.
Yes.
Take your mother along. Very serious, your things are very serious. It's a case of, a fit case for broil of appropriate departmental proceedings. Yes, madam. What do you say? There is a stay order. There is no stay order.
No
Then-
stay. Has not joined more than 1 year and 4 months, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Bishop.
So cause notices was issued to her, my lord, but
That we have
it's not
seen.
satisfactory.
Reply is not satisfactory.
And there is a transfer policy of NHM to transfer.
What is the transfer policy?
My affidavit in opposition, my lord,
Hmm.
page number 48. Second affidavit in opposition.
Hmm.
Annexure 1, page number 48, general condition 2, my lord. At the same time, Commission Director NRHM reserves the right to transfer or depute any employee at any time if the need arises in the interest of NRHM program. It is independent of this policy, my lord.
But what about your non-joining? He has not joined, neither here nor there.
No, from here, I was
Released.
released. So I cannot join here.
No stay order.
And no stay order. I took leave.
Was that leave granted? 1 year medical leave. You are not suffering from TB.
Regarding granting of leave, I have to take instructions.
You have your instructions. We'll have it after some time. Otherwise, Mr. Butcher, you are in trouble.
My lord,
The only thing I can do is withdraw the writ petition with the undertaking that you will join at the transfer place of posting. I'll ask them to consider that.
my lord, okay.
Hmm? Will you? You are open. Let her join. No back wages. No back wages. Nothing.
Question of back is the
Nothing. But
contextual.
your liberty is up to you to take whatever step you want to take. But allow her to join once in the transfer place of posting. Heard Mr. G. Bush, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. A.
Bora.
Learned Standing Counsel, NHM, appearing for the state respondents. The petitioner in the present writ petition has presented a challenge to an order dated 27/9/2024, by which she was transferred from Tarang BPHC to Lokhimpur BPHC.
Ilamaraman.
From Sipajar BPHC to Hilamora BPHC. Also, it is to be noted that the petitioner was working as a block data manager under the NHM Assam. Also, being aggrieved by the said order of transfer, the present writ petition was instituted. Also, it is to be noted that this court had not passed any interim direction staying the effect and operation of the impugned order dated 27/9/2024. Also, however, it is brought to the notice of this court that the petitioner had neither petitioner presently is not working at petitioner had not joined her services at the transferred place of posting and or is continuing to discharge her duties at the earlier place of posting. Mr. G. Boisho, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner was on medical leave for ailments suffered by her, which had prevented her from proceeding to undertake the transfer as ordered in her case. He further submits that the petitioner is required to look after her old ailing mother who stays at Dolgaon, and accordingly, she was not in a position to undertake the order of transfer. Also, having made the above submissions, Mr. Boisho submits that the petitioner is willing to undertake the transfer as ordered in a case, void the order dated
27/4.
27
No, 27/9/24.
27/9/2024. Also, Ms. A. Bora submits that the petitioner's services were not found to be satisfactory and a large number of complaints were brought on record against her. However, in lieu of instituting departmental proceedings against the petitioner, she was transferred from a place of posting wide issuance of the impugned order dated 27/9/2024. Also, noticing the submissions made by Mr. G. Boisho, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is presently willing to join at her transferred place of posting, this court would not proceed to examine the challenge made to the impugned order dated 27/9/2024 on merits, and by accepting the said willingness shown by the petitioner, would direct the petitioner to assume charge of her transfer at her transferred place of posting in terms of the order dated 27/9/2024 within a period of 15 days from today. Also, in the event the petitioner resumes her services within the period of 15 days from today at her transferred place of posting in the district of Lokhimpur, the respondent authorities shall permit her to assume the charge of the post to which she was so transferred. However, the petitioner shall not be entitled to any back wages for the period she had not rendered any services. Further, the petitioner on joining her services at Lokhimpur joining her services at Lokhimpur is permitted to submit a representation before the director National Health Mission Assam,
Mission Director.
Mission Director, National Health Mission Assam, praying for consideration of a case for transfer to transfer to the district of Torong. So, in the event of submission of such application, such representation, the respondent shall consider the same according to its own merits. Also, further, in the event there exists any allegation against the petitioner, the present order would not restrain the respondents from inquiring into the same and passing appropriate orders thereon. With the above observations and directions, the present writ petition stands disposed of. I can't do a better thing for you.
My lord, only from the receipt of the certified copy of the order, 15 days time, madam. From today.
You will get it today.
Then it's okay.
You get ready, you will get the order. Today
Yes,
or tomorrow, you'll get the order, you get ready. Ask her to pack,
Yes, sir.
provide for everything. 15 days time is there. 15th day, you join there.
Always, sir.
Consider.
My lord, possible for the timing.
My lord,
Even
Yes.
today, kindly accommodate me
We
because
accommodated you on the last day.
my lord, last occasion before your lord.
Yes, what is that? Why that?
Yes, my lord,
He is not the governor, I suppose. He has been given the status of a governor.
I will file an additional affidavit.
We don't want to file. We want that instruction, why it was done. And
Well,
that order was passed on 19/11/2025.
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, it was listed before the coordinates.
Maybe. But my order is of 19/11. And why is the instruction not on record?
Directed me to file an.
Get your deputy director here at 2 o'clock. 5
My
hours.
lord, my lord,
He's in
it is-
Tezpur.
It is
4 o'clock.
impossible, my lord.
4
It is
o'clock.
My lord, it is impossible, my lord.
We don't know.
My lord, I have
Then why
provided
did you-
all the documents here. I have,
Yet
my.
tell me why this order was passed in this manner.
It is the format of the government, my lord.
Which government? Show me the
National
government. Show me the
Yes,
format
yes, my lord.
where it is
They have-
prescribed.
And it was approved by the appointing authority.
Fine. Where is that format of the government?
I have annexed, my lord. I have annexed, my lord.
Where have you annexed?
A handbook of the 233, my lord.
Page 2?
233. The relevant person 235.
What does it say?
Relevant 235, my lord.
Hmm.
35 and 36 is the format.
We were 236 of what?
This is by order and in the name of the president. It is the format.
No. Where do I get it? Where are you reading?
My lord, 236 from additional affidavit.
Filed in WBC?
6685, my lord.
No, there is no additional affidavit here.
My lord,
Isn't it?
filed on 12/12/2025, my lord.
Additional affidavit is shown.
On behalf of respondent number 2. Respondent number.
Can I have a copy of that? No, I do the affidavit in opposition. $200?
36, my lord. 36.
So he is the president.
No, my lord.
Then?
My lord, one thing is that every
Where,
government.
how can he use this?
My lord, this
By
is
an order in the name of the president, in the name of the director.
yes, my lord.
Where?
My lord, approval is there, my lord.
Forget the approval. That is not the format. That can only be used in the name of the president, nobody else.
Kindly peruse, my lord, at page 149, my lord, or 249. This is the
Okay, OSD can issue, no problem.
yes, subordinate officer can issue.
Can issue, can drop, there is no problem. But my
But
problem
final order
is,
cannot be.
my problem is how is he considering himself to be the president of the country?
Not the president.
So
my lord.
that he has
It
gone
is
up
the
step
format, but
ahead.
My lord, one,
By
Comment-
order and in the name of the director.
yes,
Oh my good God.
one, I have annexed one,
You are filing any rejoinder to this? No. We are hearing it today. You satisfied.
my lord.
We are hearing it. You satisfied.
My lord, on this additional affidavit, my lord.
Well, whatever it is, why my query is how can you write this?
My lord, the
Where is the
additional
power?
affidavit order and relevant is delegation of power regarding executive council meetings.
There is no dispute on that. A subordinate can issue,
Yes, my lord.
right? Only thing as director, but here by order and in the name of the director. Is the director the president of India?
No, my
You
lord.
have referred to another document at page, additional affidavit page. I think we'll have to interact with your deputy director to understand, OSD, to understand the things in a better perspective.
My lord, it is another in other affidavit in opposition in 183. It is the it is addressed to the deputy director of LGBRMH. It is issued by the undersecretary. That
No, where is that format
that
you
is
showed me?
issue with the approval of the
Mr. Doctor, where is that format you showed me now? In the name of the president?
It is the format of the government, my lord.
Where is that? Just show me that. Where is
My
that
lord,
page?
it is the format handbook of and got 236, my lord.
Page 236, okay. Now come to rule 14, CCS rules.
By order in the name of the
By order and in the name of the president.
yes.
How can it be in the name of the director?
Director here, my lord, director, it
Is the president of India.
not
Okay.
president, but
So LGBI director considers himself
yes.
to be the president of India, equal to the president of India.
No, my lord. The secretary is, my lord, the government of India or government of Assam approve or sanction anything, but the undersecretary
Issues it, but it is issued in the name of the governor or the president, not in the name of the director, elementary education, director, secondary education. I think we'll have to have both these gentlemen here for better appreciation of the matters.
thus he can invoke, the director appointing authority can invoke the
I have no
delegation.
dispute. I'm at the same
But the
page with
sentence
it.
is there.
But my thing is, by this director, he is undermining the role of the president, the country. These words, by order and in the name of the director.
But here, my lord director, in his after perusal of all these records and search it, he directed the OSD and the deputy director to take action in this regard, invoking his delegation power.
There is no
Given
need
by the-
to invoke delegation of power. As directed, The OSD can issue it. There is no power. But why this line?
Line is, my lord, it is, so far as to my knowledge, my lord, it is a competent authority, must be competent authority.
But
Order.
this line by order and in the name, it is not there. That can be only in the name
Maybe,
of the
maybe
president.
mistake, my lord, but
That's a serious mistake. You amend
but,
it. You withdraw. You withdraw this. Issue a fresh one. We are with you. Issue a fresh one. Withdraw this. Come back and tell me tomorrow. With this, I'm not going.
my lord, sometime maybe.
No, sometime to 2 o'clock.
My lord, it is not possible by that.
I gave you time till tomorrow. We are not accepting this. So we are going for a final hearing. When is Mr. Shoma coming?
Is in Lex on code number 10.
10. We are finally hearing this matter today.
My lord,
At,
today I have another meeting.
You have another matter, you delegate somebody else. 2 o'clock. This is not the way we expect somebody of such high power to act. I've not even gone into the merits. You confer. If they are withdrawing it, nothing like it. For technical reasons. We'll permit you issue fresh one. Then they will see what can be done. But this I'll not allow you. Or 2 o'clock final hearing.
What should be the
2:30.
should be the line, my lord?
Huh?
What should be the line? That is, it is under the approval of the competent authority.
Fine. If that is your submission, we'll do the needful. 2:30, we'll hear the matter. You be ready with the records. 2:30, we are hearing the matter.
I have filed in additional affidavit with all
fine.
the.
Okay.
Lordship, on several occasions, the respondent authorities have been given an opportunity to file the affidavit. And on the last order dated 18/2/2025, there was a specific order directing them to file by 9/1/2025.
Next week, Lordship, any date, Lordship, send for vetting, Lordship.
She was a pension department employee.
Yes.
My affidavit is sent for vetting, Lordship.
But you undertook that you will file this today.
Lordship, can it be in the next
Then on
week, Lordship?
11/8 again, 3 weeks time, 1.
Lordship, I think in that day, Lordship, we prepared our affidavit, but some mistakes.
1,
were
first
there.
is 17/2.
Lordship,
4 weeks.
next week, Lordship, next week I will
8/4,
file.
2. 11/8/3 and 8/12/4.
I do admit it, Lordship. I do admit it. Next week, Lordship, any date I will.
What is the guarantee?
Lordship, I will.
The guarantee would
I'm
be.
the guarantee, Lordship.
The last time also
Yes,
you were the
yes,
guarantee.
Lordship. This I send
We are not
it. Send
concerned
it
with
for
it.
vetting, Lordship. I send it for vetting.
When?
Yes, it was, Lordship, 6/1/2026.
Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned additional senior government advocate, undertakes that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him will be filed on or before 27/1/2026. Even the affidavit is not filed on or before 27/1/2026, this court would consider
Today,
passing.
Lordship, today is 21, Lordship.
21, 27.
And working day, Lordship, there is.
We are not concerned with the work.
29, Lordship, at least 3 working days, please.
28.
28. Lordship.
In the event the said affidavit is not filed on or before 28/1/2026, the respondent shall not be permitted to file such affidavit without making a payment, without paying a cost of ₹10,000 to be raised without depositing an amount of ₹10,000 before the registry of this court.
Lordship.
Traction was called for last order.
Yes, Mr. Yes, what is your case?
Yes, Your Lordship, we are the sub-inspector. APRO, Lordship.
Hmm.
In entire lifespan, Lordship, of their service career, hardly they have get one promotional avenues. It is lack of promotional avenues, Lordship, basically. And based on our representation, they have initially some communications were made, and lastly, a resolution was also adopted. Lordship. Thereafter, the matter is pending.
You are sub-inspector or inspector?
Now inspector, appointed as sub-inspector.
How did you become inspector?
One promotional avenues that has been.
Why are you saying that there is no promotional avenue?
Only one, Lordship. Only one. Most of the
Deputy superintendent is the next post.
Lordship will see the
What is the next post?
deputy
After-
superintendent. Deputy superintendent.
There is a post of deputy superintendent.
Yes.
Some posts are earmarked. So there is an avenue.
No, Lord. That is there, but the post where, Lordship, the only out of I have write down only, Lordship, there are 4 posts.
Promotional, 8 posts, 4 promotional, 4. That is, if that organization requires that much, why, how can we come in? It's not a case wherein there is no promotional avenue. There is promotional avenue, maybe restricted promotion level.
Anyway, they have to.
Show me the law. Show me the law. That a mandamus is permissible to be issued in this connection.
I have annexed one order of our High Court, Lordship. That is at page 27. Okay, 72.
Page
72.
72.
His citation Procedural and Bansal and his related. This is FCI. And State of Tripura versus KK Roy. At least 3 promotional avenues. The direction of the Supreme Court.
I was the counsel.
That's you. That's you.
But there was no avenue there. Here you have an avenue. That is the difference.
That is too insufficient, Lordship. Because
that the law is that you must have an avenue for promotion. You have an avenue. Maybe. You may not reach. That's a different thing altogether. Secondly, you are getting ACP, MSCP.
Lordship, what they have done, Lordship, they have, in fact, let's say, adopted a resolution based on our application. Something has been done by the state, Lordship.
One thing I can do is you withdraw this, I'll permit you to pursue your matter with the authorities.
Yes. With that, Lordship.
Others, I have to dismiss this.
Lordship, done. Page 68, Lordship. This is the weekly meeting, Lordship. They have taken a resolution, Lordship.
Who are they? Who are they?
Mine's a weekly headquarter meeting.
This is to be done by the government.
Yes, Lordship. Before that, Lordship.
Where is your issue here?
Page 61 is the letter by the Undersecretary, Lordship.
No. Where is this, your issue taken care of here?
As at page 68, agenda number 3. Priority in promotion in various ranks of Assam Police. Same grade pay should be given to the same rank in AB, UB, and APRO. Even the pay is also less, Lordship.
That you have not played here.
That is certainly not.
That is a different cause of action.
Similarly, time bound.
Here, there is nothing time bound promotion.
Promotion.
But all should get it. Where is the?
No, Lordship. What next it should be ensured for all APR personnel at par with the other stream of some police which increment in grade pay.
That is a wishful thinking.
And the page 61 is the Lordship communication. Some
meeting were also held. In this chamber of the Secretary, Government of Assam, Home and Political Department.
Yes, I'm sorry. You have an avenue. No, nothing further is required. You were SI grade 1, then grade 2, then inspector. You have a progression. Yes, what happened to the representation? You are appearing for Mr. He's appearing for some authority.
No, Lordship. He's,
Yes, Mr. Gusa.
He's with me, Lordship. Lordship, regarding the representation, Lordship, that is not that is sought for, Lordship, but not received, Lordship. But in my affidavit, Lordship, contention in paragraph 4, Lordship. That in the the post of the inspector APRO is 77 only. The cadre rank is the post of the deputy superintendent of police communication is 8, out of which 4 posts are filled up by way of promotion from the officers who have completed 5 years in the rank of inspector, and other 4 are
Mr. J.K. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate appearing for the state respondent, shall apprise this court on the next date of listing as to the outcome of the consideration with regard to the representation made by the petitioners in the matter. In the affidavit filed by the
Respondent number
Superintendent of Police Communication bracket of Assam, it was contended in paragraph 4 that the decision with regard to the affidavit representation, with regard to the claim made in the representation submitted by the petition, is awaited from the government. So, registered to list this matter again on 28/9/2025 for further hearing. If that is pending, we'll say pass orders, finish. But I'm not going to entertain your plea. 28, board is in 28/1, right? 28/1/2026 for further hearing. Where is the additional affidavit?
Lordship,
You wanted to file some additional affidavit? Oh, that has been called for. Okay.
Lordship, your petitioner under suspension.
Give me 2 minutes, Ms. Sum. Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Lordship, in paragraphs 4 in my affidavit, it is categorically stated the position, Lordship. It stated that, Lordship, the Sanjay Boragoha, Inspector of Police Investigating Officer.
Okay, fine. But come to the order of suspension.
Yes.
Page 18.
Yes.
Second paragraph. This is not a 6-2 suspension. This is a 6-1 suspension.
Yes, Lordship. In view of the above.
So when did you institute proceedings against him?
Yes.
9/11.
9/11, Lordship.
So it's beyond 3 months. So the order is not there.
1/10/2023 is the order.
And 9/11. Oh, 1/10/23.
Yes.
And 9/11 the show cause was issued.
Yes.
Okay. Where is the? Yes, madam.
Lordship, no charge sheet or memorandum of charge.
No, no. So cause is the No cause is the search.
Then I got it wrong. Yes, yes.
Was filed, except this, within 90 days. That is my sole contention.
90 days you got it. Then what is the stage of the proceedings?
Now the departmental proceeding has been initiated.
No, this is the initiation, page 121.
Yes.
That is within 1 month. And was his order extended? Suspension extended?
That I have to take the.
Why?
Lordship.
What have you said in the order? In your affidavit?
The affidavit, Lordship, we have the order.
Hmm? What is the stage of this proceeding? Departmental proceeding?
Yes, Lordship, that was last Lordship, it is clarifying the affidavit only, Lordship. Present status, I have to take, Lordship.
Just get a telephonic instruction on that. Yes, madam. What is the 3 months time is there? So within 1 month, they have given you a show cause. Enough. What is more required? Think over it. Come back.
Can it
Say-
be tomorrow?
No, no, today.
Second half, Lordship.
Hmm?
Second half,
Second up, second. Mr.
after 3, Lordship.
5-3. 5-3. 5-3. You have any other engagement today? On the prayer of Miss S. Raised it to this matter again tomorrow. Kali Gauri. Mr. Goswami, you get that instruction?
Lordship,
And when
regarding the.
within 1
regarding-
month they have done. Now what is the violation? If
Regarding the-
violation is there, what is it? If not, withdraw it. We'll ask them to conclude the
Yes,
proceedings.
Lordship. Lordship.
I have to take the instruction regarding the status, Lordship.
Lordship.
27.
May I please, Your Worship?
It is Lordship Devabrata, Lordship, clearly. Lordship, the
Oh,
date
let Mr.
1999.
Khan is already in trouble. Why are you making him into more trouble? You
No, but
take,
I am
you
troubling.
take your seat. You don't take your seat. Let Mr. Khan try. Yes, Mr. Khan.
My lord, although it is a case of 1999 Lordship,
Hmm.
but the Lordship DLC has considered it.
Mr. Khan,
My lord.
how much in need are you of the job? Are you desperately in need of the compassionate appointment? Or it is just that you have not got any employment anywhere, so you are trying for this? But your house condition is very good.
Expectation is there, Lordship.
That much only.
My lord.
You
my
first came to this court in 2023. 2003.
3.
Huh? 20 years you were waiting.
Hmm.
Dismissed.
My lord, just one.
Dismissed.
My lord, under similar circumstances, Lordship, this is a case of 1998. This honorable court, Lordship,
Appeal.
my lord, only a limited Lordship, prayer Lordship, let it be Lordship decided by the SLC.
I am
Lordship.
deciding it. You should be better. High Court is deciding. Why should I send it to the SLC? High Court will decide. 20 years you were sleeping. 20 years.
My lord,
You come up before this court. I forgot the date of death of your father.
my lord, in the Ojit Kumar case, Lordship, also, here also, Lordship, similar situation was there, Lordship. This honorable court held that it was the fault.
Array, 20 years. If you could have waited, nothing more is required.
This is similar case, Lordship.
Rejected. No.
More than 20 years, Lordship.
You came here in 2003. This court directed.
Yes.
You were not in a need of a job for 20 years. You were just sleeping.
Oh, Lordship.
You were just sleeping. That means what? That immediacy is lost. Your claim has become stale. But some quoting is there. There are common orders. You will type it out and
Consideration is given is only, Lordship, in the year 2023, Lordship.
sorry. Dismissed. Better case next time. Second half of India so paper.
Matter pertains to compassionate appointment, Your Lordship. Father of the
In this
petitioner.
matter, we have received instruction, Your Lordship. We'll file affidavit in this.
Is covered by the division bench judgment.
The length of service.
This is item number 30. Where is that decision? Yes, what is your instruction?
Lordship, kindly go.
Madam, it is.
Heard Mr. Huh?
R.H. Chaudhary.
R.H. Chaudhary. Also heard Madam on Namtal. Learned Council. Learned Standing Council?
No.
I'm for the.
Your government advocate.
Yes.
Government advocate appearing for.
Yes.
No. Sharma number.
2 and 4, Your Lordship.
Learned Standing Council, Higher Education, Elementary Education. Appearing for the respondents number 1, 3, 4, 5. No, 4.
Appearing. 4 I am appearing.
1,
1, 3 and 5.
1, 3,
5 and 6.
5 and 6. And Miss Learned Council appearing for. Ms. New, you are appearing for respondent number 2 and
2 and 4.
2 and 4. The petitioner has instituted the present writ petition. Asseli, an office memorandum dated 18/9/2024, issued by the Commissioner and Secretary Government of Assam, Personnel Department, wherein it was stipulated that further consideration of applications for appointment on compassionate grounds by the district level, constituted district level committee, as well as the state level committees have been done away with. That's the case. 18/9, it has been done away with. Also, the petitioner, the father of the petitioner, while serving as, what was he serving as?
Head teacher, Your Lordship. 147 number.
Where do I get it?
Paragraph number 9, Your Lordship, of the writ petition. Your Lordship, page number 16 of the writ petition.
While serving as head teacher in 147 number, Bairapar Maktab, had died in the district of Hailakandi district, had died in harness on 28/10/2016. The petitioner submitted an application for consideration of his case for appointment on compassionate grounds on 3/3/2017. The said application was considered by the district level, by the jurisdictional district level committee in its meeting held on 5/10/2021 and had rejected the same on the ground that the father of the petitioner at the time of his demise had a balance service of only 1 year, 7 months, 3 days left. Accordingly, by referring to the office memorandum dated 5/1/16 or 1/5/16? Office memorandum is dated 1/6/2015, the claim of the petitioner was rejected. Full stop. The petitioner, being aggrieved by the rejection of his claim by the jurisdictional DLC, approached this court by way of instituting a writ petition being WPC number 2945/2023. A coordinate bench of this court, while order dated 11/10/2023, proceeded to dispose of the said writ petition by interfering with the decision of the jurisdictional district level committee and remanding back the matter to the jurisdictional district level committee for a fresh consideration of the claim of the petitioner in accordance with law. The coordinate bench of this court had passed the order dated 11/10/2023, noticing the judgment dated 31/2023 passed by this court in WPC number 1646/2021, wherein this court had interfered with the provisions of clause 1 of the office memorandum dated 1/6/2015, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Oh, sir. The decision, Sapara, the decision of the coordinate bench of this court in decision of the coordinate bench of this court in writ petition number 1646/2021 and other analogous matters was carried upon appeal by the state government. So, the division bench of this court, upon considering the challenge so made, was pleased with judgment and order dated 12/12/2025 to dismiss the said appeals as preferred by the state and thereby upheld the decision of the coordinate bench of this court rendered wide judgment dated 31/2023 in WPC number 1646/2021 and other analogous matters. The conclusions drawn by the division bench of this court being relevant, why the judgment dated so and so being relevant is extracted here in below. Para 12 pra para 17. The division bench, after having drawn the said conclusion with regard to the declaration of clause 1 of the office memorandum dated 1/6/2025 to be unconstitutional by a coordinate bench of this court, had proceeded to draw the further conclusion. Draw the following further conclusions. No? Para 20, 21, 22, 22. So, the case of the petitioner herein is squarely covered by the decisions of the coordinate bench of this court in writ petition number 1646/2021, as well as the decision of the division bench of this court in writ appeal number 287/2023 and other analogous matters. Also, accordingly, the present writ petition is accordingly the respondent authorities are directed to consider the case of the petitioner strictly in accordance with the observations made by the division bench of this court wide the judgment and order dated 12/12/2025 in writ appeal number 287/2023. Such consideration be extended to the petitioner within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of 2 months now. With the above observations and directions, the present petition stands disposed of.
of the deal.
এইটো থৈ দিবচোন আৰু এটা আছে একেবাৰে
Lordship. Here in this case, Lordship. Lordship.
We'll come to you. He is having something to say. We'll hear you. Yes, Mr. Counsel.
Your Lordship, this it against dismissal order followed by.
What was the charge against you in the departmental proceedings?
Arm's Act, Your Lordship.
Okay, criminal case charge, same charge.
Same charge, Your Lordship.
Okay. What was your reply to that?
I was acquitted on merit, Your Lordship.
I'm coming to the I'm on the departmental proceedings now.
A department report.
What was the charge against you in the departmental proceedings?
The same charge, Your Lordship.
Same charge.
Same charge, sir.
That you are charged under section 727 of the Arms Act. That was the charge.
Yeah.
Mr. Goswami, please. That was the charge.
Your Lordship, the same offense, Your Lordship. There is no
Offense is same, but what was the show cause against you? When was the show cause issued? When did you submit your reply?
purpose. No, I am not annexed, Your Lordship.
Ah,
Purpose.
you have not annexed, and you want me to examine the whether that finding can be now superseded by the finding of the criminal code. And that too after 4 years.
That was,
Two, what is the enquiry report? Have you got an enquiry report there?
though yes, there is, but
Ah,
though
why have you not annexed?
I'll bring it on a affidavit. What's one other?
Sorry, we are not entertaining this. We cannot entertain this with petitions.
I'll bring it on affidavit, Your Lordship.
I'm not, just criminal case order is passed, so department proceeding goes back. Show me where is the law.
My representation, I had sent a representation, even that representation was not.
I'm sorry, this criminal case is totally because the witnesses did not say anything. Witnesses did not utter a word. They just denied, feigned ignorance. But what is the conclusion in the inquiry in the department proceedings?
That I'll bring on affidavit. Though I got the copy, Your Lordship.
You have the inquiry report with you?
Yeah, findings, Your Lordship, yes.
এই চকীটো অলপ বহুত সৰু হৈ গৈছে, অলপ চাই দিব। এই চকীটো টানত থবাচোন, বহুত সৰু হৈ গৈছে। বুজা পাইনে? এইটো লক কৰি দিয়াছো, এইটো প্ৰফেচনেল কৰিব। এই চকীটো অশান্তি হৈছে অলপ সৰু। Mr. Counsel, what is the error here in this inquiry report?
This was the departmental finding, Your Lordship.
Finding, what is the error?
Though I am no way involved in this case, Your Lordship.
No, what is the error here in the department proceedings?
So I was, though I was no involved, nothing.
But the findings are against you, but the statements are there.
That finding, that was made out, Your Lordship.
Made out?
That was made, Your Lordship. That what is even nothing was found against me.
I'm sorry. That is not the way you argue.
No recovery.
That is not the way you argue a matter, Mr. Counsel.
No recovery was made out, Your Lordship, from me, Your Lordship.
Where have you stated that? When you're challenging a departmental proceeding, you'll have to challenge it on the errors thereof. And then this will come. And this thing is not a clean acquittal. is because the prosecution witnesses just denied to make statements. But your 164 is there, which was exhibited in the inquiry.
Nothing, no eyewitness on the, in the case, that.
Hey, Mr.
only-
Counsel, I am not
only-
hearing a criminal appeal, I am hearing a departmental proceeding.
Yes.
That parameters are different.
Here, only it is said.
And
that-
why did you not bring all these things on record?
That I got on subsequent, after later part, Your Lordship.
Oh, you filed the writ petition without this even examining that.
This Xerox copy, they got, I got. So I have to, I'll bring on affidavit, Your Lordship. If you
No, no,
allow.
no. Tell me where is your statement that the findings in the inquiry report is perverse? Where are your conclusions here? Nothing is there, Mr. Counsel. This writ petition is nothing. Will a criminal case acquittal, so order of the department proceed? That's not the law, unfortunately.
Nothing was found out against me, Your Lordship.
But here it is all against you only.
That is Your Lordship, that is, nothing seized from me, only that.
Sorry, Mr. Counsel. How long have you been in practice?
Since 2010, Your Lordship.
What's your name?
R. Chetri.
Mr. R. Chetri prays that he be granted a week's time to prepare his case and make submissions thereon. Also, prayer is not objected to by Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the respondents. Learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondent. Registered to list this matter again on 28 Mangalbar only, Budvar, 29 for further hearing. I have to dismiss your writ petition. You better pull up your socks.
Obliged. Lordship.
I need some time to file the affidavit.
That is without saying, Mr. Chaudhary coming, we know he requires time. Otherwise, Mr. Chaudhary will not come.
Official communication is there, Lordship. but the
Okay.
thing is that-
Tell me one thing. 30 years, very good. Where is the 3-month notice preceding that? Or 3 months salary?
That aspect of the matter we have dealt in our affidavit in opposition, Lordship. Can it
You have
be
dealt
after-
with?
Yes, Lordship. Can it be after 2 weeks, Lordship?
No, no. Where is your affidavit in opposition now?
Affidavit in opposition now means it has been processed, Lordship. It will take some time because I have to obtain
Process
the,
means where
I have to obtain the
processed
signature.
by the AI.
Not by the
AI
AI, not by
processing,
the AI,
Gemini,
not by the
or
AI, Lordship.
Perplexity or
Because the
something.
parawise comment has been sent to me and I have
Okay.
already done it and it is supposed to be given to the concerned person, Lordship.
Okay. So
But-
by when can you give it to your concerned person?
This concerned person was, because of some medical reason, he was out of station. Today, in the morning, I have talked with him. He'll be coming tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Lordship. He will collect everything
Okay.
from me.
We will have it on,
Any day in the first week of February, Lordship.
no, we will have it on 30th. 30.
Yes, yes.
Is there some difficulties? Madam?
Okay, then it will go to the next week.
Yeah.
3-2.
3-2.
3-2.
Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, learned CGC, appearing for the respondents, undertakes that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him shall invariably be brought on record
By
on
third.
or before 28 1/2026.
Can be on 30th, Lordship,
No,
because it will be sent for vetting and they will finish it off.
sorry,
Okay, Lordship, I will try.
29.
29.
1/2026. Petitioner to file is rejoined. Petitioner is at liberty to file its rejoinder thereto on or before 9/2/2026. Registry to list this matter for admissions on 13/2/2026.
Obligation.
And should I add that if you don't file it by 28th?
No, I on the last occasion also I've done it, Lordship.
The service is complete, my lord. Suspension order, that is at page 82 is under check.
Record the translate for value. Yes, Mr. Goswami.
The order at page 82, my lord.
Got it. 5/5.
My lord.
No proceeding drawn.
My lord, they have initiated now.
When?
September. September, they have asked me to file a written statement against
So suspension is 5/5.
5/5.
Show cause is of
18/9.
18/9.
Lordship, let me have the instruction, Lordship.
What were you doing?
Returning in August, my lord.
Lordship, it can be taken
And I
up
have a-
next week only.
My lord, clean.
You retired?
I'm retiring by August, my lord.
August, Lordship. Next week, Lordship, I'll get the. First.
Take 3 months.
Somebody else's departmental inquiry, my lord. Someone said something, my lord, without absolutely false. I have also given a police case, my lord.
Lordship, there might be some extension order. So, Lordship, I'm just.
Extension order?
Yes.
If it is after 90 days, then
90 days?
Lordship, during the period of 90 days.
My lord,
it
it
may-
cannot be. My lord. Not, I'll
Lordship, since I have just, Lordship, got the.
Mr. Goswami is armed with that. For that.
No, no, this is the order. Dated 2nd of January 2026. If we go by order, Chaudhary, my lord. Second of January, yep, eight copied blue.
Yes.
Huh?
Second of January. Basically, some could be.
And they said, my lord, there is no review committee, my lord. The particular authority has continued it.
Tuesday, Lordship.
Nothing is there. Give him a copy.
My lord, I'll give.
We'll have it at 2 p.m. Second.
At 2, my lord.
2. 2 or
Yes,
we
yes.
have few matters fixed up. You come whenever it's free.
But-
We are interfering.
But-
You post him wherever you want to. Just show him, he'll understand. See the last paragraph. There is no extension prior to this.
Last to file of it.
But you get your clarification.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Goswami, we are interfering.
Obliged, Lordship.
Citizen? Yes, any objection? 195 order passing. Similarly situated.
SLP got dismissed, Lordship.
You are the advocate also.
Yes, Lordship.
What is the same thing?
Same thing, Lordship, but they prefer.
Where is your recruitment? Just show me that. 28,495.
Page number, Lordship, 119.
Page number?
119.
Similar order. Itu মাইরি নামটো নামও একে খালি Mr. Goswami page 183. Same things, nothing.
Same, Lord. Everything is same. State had preferred one SLP that got also.
That also
dismissed.
dismissed.
Yes, Lordship, here, Lordship, there are two petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, here, Lordship, they have. Lordship, they have, Lordship, total 37 petition, 38 petitioner, Lordship. Now, 119 is for one only.
Preserve.
Yes.
Where is the thing of the others, Mr.
Appointments, Lordship. I have not annexed, Lordship, but Lordship, page number.
Where is your statement? Okay, in page number 121, where are their names?
In page number 121, all the names are there. Even Lordship, I have made a table, Lordship, in
Where
the
is
petition.
that? Where is that?
Page number 25, paragraph number 10.
Page 27.
25, paragraph number 10, my lord. In the tabulation, Lordship, all the name of the petitioners are there. I have given their roll numbers also.
Okay, 10 and Indra.
Yes, Lordship.
You are within that 77
Yes,
numbers
yes,
of them.
yes, Lordship.
And all were appointed white order dated 6/2/26.
Yes, same date. Everything is same, Lordship. And similar order is, Lordship, at page number 183 and 195. Lordship was pleased to dispose of two petitions, Lordship. 183.
Do my dear.
83.
183. Murray order. 183 to 189.
189 till 180.
Is it? Disposed of.
Highly obliged.
36.
Lordship, before my friend starts, Lordship, in this matter, we are going to file our affidavit today, Lordship, during the course of the day, Lordship.
You're not filing.
Finance department has filed. and
So that will cover.
we have recommended the proposal center.
So you are with him.
If
Department is with you.
Yes, Your Lordship. Department has already forwarded it. In fact, they filed the affidavit, have received the copy.
What is the stand?
Your Lordship, the stand is twofold. The first stand is that they are saying that a grade pay of 6,200 is authorized to the diploma in optometrist, and a grade pay of 5,600 is authorized to the BSc in optometrist. That's a separate issue. And the second stand, they said that there is no recommendation from the pay committee, pay commission of 2016. That will not hold the field. In fact, there is a cabinet decision which has been approved. They have not gone through it.
These 2 points only.
Yes, this 2 points does not cover the case.
You're not filing any rejoinder.
If required, I can file it, but what I'm trying.
No, it's for you. If you want to file it, file it. If not, we'll take it up for disposal.
Let my affidavit come, Lordship.
Then your Lordship can take it up for disposal.
Disposal. Mr. R. Singha, Learned Counsel for.
If your Lordship is taking up today for the disposal. No, the affidavit is not.
We'll call for it. We'll take it up today if you want. You're ready?
I'm ready with the case, Your Lordship.
Not today, Lordship. Some difficulties are there, Lordship. That is why copy has not yet been served to him, Lordship.
Copy have not
During
been
the
Copy has
course
been
of the-
served to me. Copy has not been filed, perhaps.
No, in that copy also some difficulties.
Mr. Singha will take only 2 minutes.
That paragraph, record knowledge paragraph is not there.
Oh. Asol my. Mr. P. Nayak, Additional Advocate General, appearing for the Finance Department, for the respondents in the Finance Department, submits that an affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him has been filed today. Also, Mr. Singha, R. Singha, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that no rejoinder would be filed thereto by the petitioners herein, and prays that considering the nature of the dispute involved, this court would be pleased to take up the matter for final disposal at an early date. Ms. Annalaya, in view of the above submissions of the Learned Counsel for the parties, a registry to list this matter again on 10/2/2026, along with the affidavit filed by the respondents in the Finance Department. 10/2.
My affidavit is being filed out, not yet filed. That
His report has been filed today. Is being filed today. If he can't file it by 3, then it will be a problem for him.
That difficulty will get.
But you get your decisions online, because these 2 points would require.
I think in my affidavit, the department has stated as it is not there in the present ROP lordship.
That it may not
And
be
the
there.
next commission is going to be constituted
That
very soon.
whenever it comes. But if it is not there and they make out a case, is this court ruthless to not consider that plea?
Lordship will consider, but only thing is that is a 309. That is the issue, Lordship.
Help it. If you have not considered it properly, even if 309 will not commit because you have not even factored in for them.
Lordship will consider. Lordship will consider.
Deeply.
Yes.
On 1912, there is an order. Consider
1912.
1912 in the IA.
19 I to some probably.
To take a decision within 10 days, outer limit of 15 days. That is pending, Lordship. Otherwise, we are out of job. And they have filed an affidavit in the main matter also.
Okay. Nothing more. You have made the appointments?
Vacancies are there.
Selected candidates have already been appointed. Their
Vacancies are there, Lordship. So I know there is a need also. We were working.
This first prayer is redundant now.
Yes. No, Lordship.
No, where is your prayer? Nothing.
Lordship.
You're thinking, where is your challenge to that?
Prayers termination, we have not challenged. That is one.
This first prayer is nothing. Second prayer is nothing.
Yes.
Third, to hold a limited departmental examination in your case.
That
is also not.
That I brought it from
that Supreme Court thing.
Yes, Supreme Court thing.
That decision.
Present, we have not.
Even this prayer, what is this? Okay, I grant you this.
Lordship, this has already been settled, Lordship.
I grant you this. Prayer 1 and prayer 2, I grant it. Even. But
without a challenge to that termination, it will not survive. That I have advised.
You withdraw this, file a petition challenging that.
Yes, yes.
Mr. B.P. Bora,
Lordship, but the main IA prayer would be pending. That main.
No, your main thing.
The order in the IA would be there because they are considering our representation. That will be there.
No, it is already under consideration, Lord.
Disposition.
In terms of the IA,
that is already
they filed their representation.
But how can I, what relief can I give you here?
Lordship, till the IA, till the representation is disposed of, Lordship, that much, Lordship, this matter will be kept pending.
They are already
and we will separately.
No, that cannot be done in that, Mr. Bora, you don't have a prayer.
That is true, Lordship.
Then, I'm granting you prayer 1 and 2. Continuous service.
Yes.
Continuity, I'm granting you. What will happen?
Yes.
Nothing. We have appointed.
That I have advised, Lordship.
I'll dismiss your petition saying that you don't have any right. That'll affect your.
Yes.
Lordship, my submission will be in view of the order
Therefore,
passed in the
Lordship,
IA, Lordship.
Therefore, Lordship, I
Mr.
am
Bora, you make a submission that in view of the fact that the process has completed and there are still vacant posts and this court has already
Yes,
directed,
that is
you
my
be
submission.
permitted to.
That is my submission.
Heard Mr. BP Bora, Learned Counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. Pinak. There is no problem in that, Mr. Nak. Interim, that direction there, you'd pass orders, whatever.
The outer limit is already over, Lordship, there.
File a contempt.
Yes.
Heard Mr. Pinak, Learned Additional Senior Government, Additional Advocate General appearing for the respondents number 1, 2,
Up to 5, Lordship.
3, 4, 5. Also heard Mr. E.J. Mohanto, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. P. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the Standing Counsel, Assam Public Service Commission, respondent number 6. Mr. B.P. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that in pursuance to the advertisement dated
Lordship, advertisement dated
19/11/2019, initiating a recruitment process for filling up of
junior
307
posts of
307 posts of junior engineer in the Public Works Department, the recruitment process, the selection having been completed, the selected candidates have been appointed against the vacant posts so available. However, he submits that there still remains.
No, after the advertisement in the 2019, Lordship, first, when the recruitments were, appointments were made,
now
their
there is a phase
services were
advertisement.
terminated. Their services were terminated.
Are there vacancies still existing?
That officially, I'm not saying it.
He is saying that.
Yes. That is-
Submits that there are still vacancies of junior engineer bracketed civil available in the department against which the petitioners can be continued under Regulation 3F of the Assam Public Service Commission limitation of function regulation 1957 or 51?
51.
51. Also, Mr. Pinak, Learned Additional Advocate General, however, disputes the contention of the petitioner and submits that the petitioners were only working under Regulation 3F of the said regulation of 1951, and they had also appeared in the selection process. However, barring one of the petitioners, the others were not successful in the selection process. Accordingly, they are not entitled to continue with the ad hoc appointments so made in their respective cases. Also, Mr. Bora has pointed out to an order dated 19/12/2025, by which this court had, by order dated 19/12/2025, passed in IA number bracket civil number 3950/2025, by which this court had a coordinate bench, by which this court had directed, had granted liberty to the petitioners to file a detailed representation before the Commissioner and Special Secretary to the Government of Assam, Public Work bracket Roads bracket over Department, for a resolution of their grievances. This court had further directed the concerned authority to pass appropriate orders on the representation, on such representation being filed within the time frame mentioned therein, prescribed therein. Mr. Bora submits that the recruitment process involved having been taken to its logical conclusion, but there being still further vacant posts against which the petitioners can be continued in their services under Regulation 3F, prays that he be permitted to withdraw the present petition to pursue the representation already preferred by them before the respondent authorities in terms of the directions passed by this court-wide order dated 19/12/2025 in in I bracketed C number 3950/2025. Also, the said prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Also, in view of the above, the present writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. However, with liberty reserved to the petitioners to continue to pursue the representation submitted by them before the respondent authorities. The respondent authorities shall also, in the event the said representation has been so preferred, consider and dispose of the same in accordance with law with a speaking order by way of passing a speaking order.
Lordship, and liberty to also may be given also to challenge the press.
That is already there. That's why liberty is required.
Deeply.
With the above, dismiss coedition. No?
Dear Lordship, appointments have already been made, Lordship.
No issue. Appointments already given. But what are the marks of the candidates who got selected?
More than this petition.
Do you have something?
No, Lordship, but I have been informed, Lordship.
Informed.
After filing of this affidavit, Lordship.
The total marks was 120.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
And
You
the
got
last,
98, 96 in that. Very, very meritorious.
in my written test, my lord, I have got
No, Viva you have not given.
not. Last cutoff mark.
So 98 out of 100. There are many people about them also. 100,
Yes,
100.
Lordship. The last cutoff mark was 110.
110. So what was the cutoff mark? What was the mark scored by them in the written examination? 100.
Lordship, that Lordship I have. It was not disclosed, my lord.
So how much were they given in their Viva?
Lordship, that I will have to get the
Because
instruction.
98 plus 10, even if they get half.
Yes. Half.
Now 118, it's more
The-
than what you have cut off is there.
Yes, Lordship. One of the petitioner, he got 109, so far as I have been informed.
109.
1 month.
Others?
Others, Lordship, less. But
Can
Lordship,
you give me a list?
yes, Lordship, I'll give you a list, Lordship. I can give the list. Can it be a Lordship on the next week, Lordship? Any day, Lordship.
Mr.
Yes, you are.
D. Upamanyu, Learned Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department submits that the matter be taken up on 28/1/2026, on which date he shall place on record the marks secured by the petitioners as well as the other selected candidates for the post of
Grade 3 non-technical post.
grade 3 non-technical posts in pursuance to the advertisement dated 1/2/2023. That's the only case.
Yes, my lord. Highly obliged.
No further hearing.
May I please, Your Lordship? Matter is relating to
Alcohol plus urination is equal to positive test of alcohol. What is the error?
my lord, there is, I think at this stage, if that punishment is, my lord, in
You are a
Please.
discipline force man. If you don't have the sense where to urinate and you urinate inside the room, you are not fit, and rightly so.
my lord, the period is of big corona, my lord. That is one aspect because as that time,
And you have brought on
everybody's-
record mental certificates. That again shows that you are not even fit for the job.
at that time, some problem was
You,
there.
that time, not that time. After that time, after you were caught, punished, you went for medical treatment.
That is also correct, my lord, as part of prescriptions.
Anything more
But-
left?
May I pray, my lord, just to
No.
consider except removal,
Beautifully written detailed order, appeal order.
except
Taking into
removal,
consideration. You are an alcoholic. And that too in a fire service. Dangerous.
that is right, my lord.
And you have not even, you have admitted to that in
That
the
is correct.
inquiry.
That is correct.
It has
So-
already-
My lord, the petitioner is only praying for one opportunity to be given because that period is actually not right for any persons, my lord, because at that May 2020, Corona was at the peak. Everybody's minds were not.
Very influenced by those mobile advertisements that if you drink alcohol, the coronavirus will die. Were you influenced? Where is your statement to that
It
effect?
was there.
Where was your statement to that effect?
Exactly not that statement, but
At least that should have been a ground. It's not there. I'm
Being-
sorry.
being
Such
there, actually.
characters cannot be entertained in a discipline force. If you want to, it's already one. If you want to have a further look into that, come back at.
In development, my lord, subsequent development, I will bring a report. I know the
Okay,
fate,
only
my lord,
thing-
but at least.
Only
Lordship will
thing is,
keep on hold
Mr.
till
Gogoi, 5-5 to 5-4-8, something has taken place.
Yes.
Fine.
Well-
But we find that the Shokos was issued only sometime in
September.
Second,
September.
18 September.
and this is a 6-1 thing.
Yes. I,
Okay.
yes. On Thursday,
Hey.
my lord, I will place
35 to
33.
33. Then we do. On the
Madam
prayer of Mr. B.D. Goswami, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, and also Mr. E. Gogoi, learned additional advocate general appearing for the state respondents. Mr. Gogoi submits that he be granted time till
Thursday or any day convenient, my lord.
22.
22.
Tomorrow,
No, coming.
next Thursday,
Yes.
29/1/2026,
22.
to complete his instructions.
Lordship.
Prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 29/1/2026 for further hearing.
May I pray that the matter be kept?
Further hearing.
Yes,
Part- part-
further
further hearing.
Further, yes. Much obliged.
Yes. Anything?
The only point is, my lord, that period was not, obviously, that period was not good for anyone. And lockdown was there. And due to that position also, due to the lockdown, as well as at that time, I remember, my lord, many people had fever, but never informed due to the
No, that issue will not come here because you have to remain there in the barrack.
That is correct.
You are not a common man. You are a police. You are a discipline force personnel. You will have to remain in the barrack only.
So that nuisance regarding urinating, so minor punishment could be.
No, it's not only urinating. It's alcoholism plus urination. Urination is just the crown. The body is alcoholism.
Due to that alcoholism, urinating.
You lost complete sense, and that, see, you are working as a fire and rescue officer.
Driver.
Be that as it is. Your job is very, very important. And I don't find any errors. You have not shown any error in the conduct of the proceedings.
To that
Appellate
extent,
order
that is correct.
also deals with it very minutely.
Because if he is given one chance, at least not as direct driver, to degrade him to other post also, at least his family could survive, my lord.
You have brought this thing on yourself. What to do?
Because under intoxication, some people quarrel with other things.
The learned counsel for the parties at length. Heard the learned counsel for the parties. Hearing remains inconclusive. Registry to list this matter again on 28/1/2026. I'll pass the order on 28.
The declaration of the petition as unfit by DME and both RME lordship. Now, last occasion, lordship directed them to produce record or to file affidavit.
What's your instruction has received?
My simple case is that there is a violation of the guideline.
Ms. R. Devi, learned counsel for the respondent. Learned CGC appearing for the respondents has placed on record the written instructions received by her from the competent authority. So, let a copy of the said instructions be furnished to Mr. P.P. Doctor, learned counsel for the petitioner. So, registry to list this matter again on 29/1/2026. You make your submission, Secretary. Yes. Why is his services not adjusted?
$51.
51 or 50?
51.
51, huh?
Yes.
Mr. Das, your case.
Goalpara.
Ah, Lordship.
Well, I have to take steps.
Too many briefs also make you forget.
No, my lord. Sorry, I'm sorry, my lord.
13.
He has
Page
given
108. Page 108, Lords.
Steps are not required to be taken.
Steps are not required.
Not required.
108.
Paragraph 13. The order of the your lordship order, the coordinate bench lordship.
Huh.
Yes. This code on taking into account the facts and circumstances is of the considered opinion that though there may not be any issue of legality with the fresh advertisement while recruiting for the post of Gaon Pradhan, the lots where the petitioners have been discharging their duties on the strength of their initial appointment as Gaon Bura should not be made part of the said recruitment process. As a cordially is directed that the petitioner be continued to discharge their duties as Gaon Gaon Pradhan in terms of the present rules and incorporated in the advertisement.
What is their age of retirement?
65, my lord. He is covered case, my lord. He was also working. It's long back, my lord. I have given.
Petitioner is not a working.
No, working.
Initially, he was selected, they're different thing. But after that, he was not working.
No.
Sir,
He
Hendrik,
was
why are you
working.
not bringing those things into record?
No,
on
yes,
record?
my lord.
He was working.
My deputy commissioner, my lord, he
Yes.
can, my lord, that.
Yes. From when is he not working?
No,
Mr.
he's
Goswami?
working, my lord. All along working and also petitioner also in earlier case, my lord.
Only, my lord, that this advert has been given only those who are, my lord.
That we can always extend to him, provided he is working.
Yes.
How do you say he is not working?
Yes, my lord.
My lord, that on that time, my lord, that some of the person they are working, they are, my lord, that they are challenging the advertisement on that time.
I got it. Whether this person is working or not.
My lord, that my lord friend can bring the.
Yes, Mr. Bhusan.
Yes, lordship. So far what happened during the publication of the advertisement, these persons were come before this honorable court, and this honorable court directed that to proceed their work and not to take fresh appointment, lordship, and therefore, lordship, it was reviewed, lordship. The advertisement was reviewed. In case of the petitioners, lordship, it was the lot of the petitioners are discarded from the advertisement, lordship. And now, lordship,
Page, my lord, 27, my appointment letter.
Okay, fine.
That is why, my lord, I am.
No. Mr. Das, are you working as on duty?
Yes, my lord. That is why, my lord.
Nobody is appointed in your.
No, my lord. Because, my lord, somebody, new advertised fresh recruitment process has been started, my lord. And those are the persons, those are honorary Gabura, those were selected and are appointed are not adjusted, my lord, recently.
Then why are you filing this?
Because this petitioner, my lord, left out in that group, my lord.
no, lordship.
Some of
Yes,
the group
lordship.
also who has not got appointment letter, my lord, they have also filed approach, but he
These
got.
yes, lordship.
Now, whether he is working.
No, on that count, I have to take instruction. But
Yes.
lordship, that order is for specifically
Okay,
for that petitioner.
we'll
lordship.
pull that order to his case.
Yes.
Lordship, I will take the
Get
instruction.
that instruction.
I will.
Yes, my lord.
Tomorrow?
Even then, my lord, he appeared in the interview. I think.
That is why I have my point out.
No, you give me
Instruction
complete
and
details.
question.
Interview, he cannot appear because he is overaged.
Yes.
53 or something,
Yes.
54 or something. Get those instructions.
Yes.
If this man is selected, working, similarly situated
Yes, my
persons
lord.
have been given, why will he not get it?
Yes. He left out.
Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondent number
2, 3, and 4, lordship.
2, 3, and 4 submits that he would apprise this court on the next date of listing as to whether the petitioner is continuing in his service
Honorary service.
as honorary Gaon Pradhan. Also, registered to list this matter again on 29. This 28
Tabulation.
1/2020. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Yeah, please allow me. Here in this case, the petitioner has challenged the frequent transfer orders. That have been issued. And this with regard to that particular contention of the petitioner, the affidavit has been filed, the affidavit in opposition. And there's an admission on the part of the authority with regard to the fact that.
Okay, we'll come to the admission, come to the facts first.
Yes. Now, what has happened, Lordship, the petitioner was initially appointed as vaccinator. Now, on 2023, he was promoted as health inspector.
Can you give me the dates, initial
Yes.
appointment?
The initial appointment was on 2/7/1998. Subsequently, this initial his service was regularized, and he was promoted as rural health inspector on 24/8/2023. This is important, Lordship. RHI.
And posted at,
Port Holy BPHC.
where do I get that order?
This is there at this page number 3, Lordship.
Page number?
Page number 21. Paragraph number 4.
No, where are the orders of your promotion?
Exactly, Lordship. This order is there in the affidavit.
Affidavit file.
Yes.
25.
24. 25, page number 25, this order is there, Lordship. The Bolen Kolita at column number, serial number 4. Place of posting it at Rongia BPHC, and he will perform his duty at Ajara BPHC.
So where is this Uparholi coming now?
This Uparholi, he was allowed to work at Ajara BPHC, but they have not mentioned after promotion he was posted to Uparholi.
You are transferred to Rongia.
Exactly, Lordship. It is
But you are allowed to work
exactly.
at Asara.
Uparholi is at Rongia. But they have not specified.
Actually,
Yeah.
that is an attachment order,
Exactly.
Lordship,
It is not
not a
specified.
transfer order.
After promotion, he was posted at Uparhali and allowed to work at Ajara BPHC.
No, where do I get that? Uparholi.
Yes.
Where do I get it?
That Lordship. The next check 2. Also, kindly see my annexure 1, page number 14. Subsequently, when he was released from that particular, this is there.
Okay. Then what happened?
Yes, Lordship. On now, this is on 24/8/2023. Now on 18/10/2024, the
18?
petitioner was released from Ajara. Actually, it is from Ajara. Ajara BPHC with immediate effect, we enable him to join his original place of posting, and the petitioner 19/10/2024 had joined the original place of posting at Uparholi.
Then what happened?
Now annexure 2, Lordship, the next page, page number 15. Another order issued on 12/11/2024 after a month. He was again sent back to Rongia BPHC. Now from Rongia BPHC, Lordship, the next annexure is at page number 16, annexure number 3. Another office order was issued on 19/7/25 from Uparholi BPHC that Rongia is hereby directed to report for duty at Rampur BPHC. After 7 months, another order was issued. Got it? Now, Lordship, this subsequently 12/11/2024, 15/9/2025. After this 23/7/2025, the next annexure, page number 17, 18. The previous one in the month of July, now the September. The earlier of this office order number such and such dated 19/7/2025 in respect of Bolen Koida is hereby cancelled. So after 2 months, it cancelled this transfer order and is directed to report from duty at Rongia BPHC with immediate effect. So on 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, they're issuing these orders.
Okay. Now you come back to the earlier position. Rungya,
Yes.
what is the error?
Lordship.
What is the error? The attachment orders have been cancelled and you have been now given the original promotional post.
Exactly. Now, in this particular,
This 5 months, 6 months, it seems that you are also interested in some of those orders. Rampuri immediately joined.
exactly, Lordship.
And they say it was on your request, health, poor health.
Exactly. Now, the fact is that, Lordship, this the 23/7/2025, annexure 4, the order in which I have joined this annexure 3, page number 16. In the interest of public service, currently posted Rongia BPHC hereby directed to report on duty at Rampur. So from Rongia to Rampur, the direction was there, and accordingly I had joined on the subsequent date.
And
Now,
these are all postings within the district.
exactly. No, I am not objecting with regard to that, and there is no dispute also with regard to that. But the
You
fact-
want in Rampur.
But the fact is that when
You want Rampur.
no, Lordship, this 19/7/2025, when I was posted at Rongia BPHC temporarily with immediate effect, there is specifically no reason for transferring the petitioner again to this annexure.
This is also an attachment only.
Exactly, Lordship. But the fact is that, Lordship, there is now in the affidavit they have made a mention with regard to the fact in this paragraph number 9, if your Lordship kindly see.
Rightly so.
That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 7, the respondent begs to state that as per the minutes of the meeting held on 5/9/2025 at office of the Director of Health Service Assam, the earlier attachment order dated such and such in respect of the petition was cancelled, and he was directed to work at Rongia BPHC in the same capacity within the same district and under the control of the same Joint Director of Health Services. Now, they have not specified any reason why it has been cancelled. When you are issuing any order,
They have cancelled it. What prejudice is cost to you?
No, Lordship, this
You are not
was from
working in
one
any
place-
post.
Lordship.
You're not working, and those posts are not transfers, those are attachments.
Exactly, Lordship.
Attachment ad hocism done away with, regular thing done. Fine, what is the mistake?
No, the fact is that, Lordship, when you are issuing certain orders, you are cancelling certain orders, there should be some justification in issuance of those orders. In the
Okay.
affidavit also.
They
they
have filed an affidavit, you have not even cared to file a reply.
No, Lordship, that is the thing, Lordship. I was intending to file the reply.
Okay, fine, this was in November, 3 months down the lane. If you're so serious, can't help it. Anything more? Anything more, Mr. Chaudhary? These are all attachment orders, nothing.
Exactly, Lordship. But the thing is that
You
when
go and join, we'll permit you to make a representation, that much only.
And
You
there
have
is
not
no-
joined at Rungia.
No.
There is a stay order.
Yes.
We'll vacate that today.
Then Lordship can give a direction for disposing that particular representation within a stipulated
You
period.
join, then
No,
make
I
a
will
fresh-
join. I will join
Make
and
a
submit a
join, you
representation.
join,
I will submit a
make a fresh
representation.
representation.
And
You
that is,
consider.
that is to be disposed of within a stipulated period of time.
So you're not challenging.
Lordship.
If you want that order, you're not challenging.
Which one, Lordship?
59.
No, I am basically challenging, but since your Lordship has taken a view with regard to the fact that I have to join that particular post.
Then
because
we will
these
only
orders-
limit ourselves to 15.9 challenge.
Lordship.
We'll limit ourselves to 15.9 challenge, whether that is correct or wrong. That's all.
Exactly, Lordship, because this particular order which has been issued, and there nowhere in this particular order they have specified any reason for why this previous
That
order.
reason is there, at least in the affidavit. You have not even disputed.
Affidavit, they have modified that thing, but the fact is that while issuing that particular order, they have not specified the reason for cancelling the earlier order.
Those are attachment orders.
Exactly.
Those are not transfer orders.
No, I can understand, but the
That's-
attachment orders, even if
Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for. Madam, anything more to say?
No, Lordship.
Also heard Ms. A. Devi, Learned
Alright.
Learned Counsel appearing, Learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department appearing for all the respondents.
Yes, sir.
Right? The petitioner in the present proceedings has presented a challenge to an order dated 5/9/2025, 15/9/2025, whereby the petitioner
Just look at this.
whereby the earlier attachment order of the petitioner whereby the attachment of the petitioner with at Rungia BPHC was cancelled. Issued wide order dated 19/7/2025 was cancelled, and the petitioner was directed to report for duty at Rungia BPHC. So, the petitioner hearing was initially recruited as a vaccinator on 2/7/1998. So, the initial appointment of the petitioner was on ad hoc basis, which was subsequently regularized. So, the petitioner was considered for promotion to the post of Rural Health Inspector, and on being found suitable, he was promoted wide order dated 24/8/2003, 24/8/2023 as Rural Health Inspector and posted at Rungia BPH. So, in the said order dated 24/8/2023, it was stipulated that the petitioner, although posted at Rungia BPH, will perform his duty at Ajara BPHC as before until further orders. Also, the petitioner, in terms of his promotional order, assumed the charge of the post of the promotional post and worked at Ajara BPHC. Also, post thus, the petitioner was wide order dated 18/10/2024, released from Azara BPH with immediate effect, with a direction to join at his original place of posting. Also, in the said order, the petitioner was denoted to have been working to be posted at Upor Hali, UPORHA Ali BPHC. Also, the petitioner accordingly moved back, accordingly assumed the charge of the post of Rural Health Inspector, Uparhali BPHC. Also, after around a month from the date of passing of the order dated 18/10/2024, the respondent authorities issued an order dated 12/11/2024, whereby the petitioner was directed to work at Rungia BPHC temporarily until further orders. Also, the petitioner projects that thereafter, wide an order dated 19/1/2025, 19/7/2025, the petitioner was directed to report for duty at Rampur BPHC until further orders. Also, it is seen that the petitioner joined his post at Rampur BPHC on 23/7/2025 and was continuing therein. Also, it is in the above background that the respondents proceeded to issue an order dated 15/9/2025, cancelling the earlier posting of the petitioner at Rampur BPH, issued wide order dated 19/7/2025, and requiring the petitioner to report for his duties at Rungia BPHC until further orders. Also, what happened to the Uparholi post? No, somebody is working there. That is in Rungia, same. Uparholi, Rungia is
same.
Also, the learned, Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, it is In the above backdrop that the petitioner has instituted the present proceedings. Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that in pursuance to the order dated 24/8/2023, promoting the petitioner against the post of Rural Health Inspector, he was posted to Rongia BPHC. But Rongia BPHC and Uparoli is the same.
No, Lordship, in the affidavit, if your Lordship kindly see the affidavit at this page number 21. That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 3 of the writ petition, the deponent begs to state that he was directed to work at Uparoli BPHC as per order dated issued by
Submits
the
that
yes.
the petitioner,
Lower Coriander was issued on
although
14th.
was posted at Rongia BPHC, he was directed to work to discharge his duties at Azara BPH until further order, which the petitioner complied with. Also, he submits that the respondent authorities, without any rhyme or reason, released the petitioner from Azara BPHC and required him to join at his original place of posting, which was denoted as Uparhali BPHC. Mr. Chaudhary further submits that after passing of the order dated 18/10/2024, the respondents have been at frequent intervals issuing orders posting the petitioners to various BPHCs. However, no reason has been assigned for such regular issuance of posting orders in respect of the petitioner hearing. Mr. Chaudhary submits that the respondents had in the meanwhile also posted the petitioner at Rampur BPHC, which he had a wide order dated 19/7/2025, which he complied with and joined against the said transferred post on 23/7/2025. Mr. Chaudhary submits that the respondent authorities, without assigning any reason for the same, proceeded wide order dated 15/9/2025 to cancel the order posting effected in respect of the petitioner, wide the order dated 19/7/2025 and directed him to report for duties at Rongia BPHC with immediate effect until further orders. He submits that the order dated 15/9/2025, not having assigned any reason requiring the cancellation of the earlier posting order of the petitioner effected wide order dated 19/7/2025, the order dated 15/9/2025 is a non-speaking one and would mandate an interference from this court. The learned counsel for the petitioner has further, by highlighting the repeated orders of posting passed in respect of the petitioner after his promotion to the post of Rural Health Inspector, submits that the petitioner has been subjected to a discrimination in the matter and is being used as a shuttlecock only to accommodate the interest of others close to the powers that be. Anything more? In the above premises, Mr. Chaudhary submits that the order dated 15/9/2025 would mandate an interference from this court with a further direction to the respondent authorities to permit the petitioner to continue to discharge his duties at Rampur PHC in terms of the order dated 19/7/2025. Per contra, Ms. ADV, learned standing counsel. Deborah, learned counsel. Learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department submits that on promotion of the petitioner, he was posted at Rongia BPHC, but was allowed to continue, but were allowed to discharge his duties at Azara BPHC. So, he is of Uparhali, na? She submits that after the promotion of the petition, his services were required to be utilized at different BPHCs on in the interest of public service, and accordingly, posting orders came to be issued in respect of the petitioner to initially to Rongia BPHC and thereafter to Rongia BPHC. Full stop. She submits that the posting of the petitioner at Rampur BPHC, effected while order dated 19/7/2025, was so done basing on a request made in this connection by the petitioner and also considering his health condition. Also, she submits that the attachment of various members of the service against posts other than that they were posted to was considered in a meeting held on 5/9/2025 in the office of the Director of Health Services, Assam, and accordingly, the attachment of the services of the petitioner at Rampur BPHC, effected while order dated 19/7/2025, was directed to be cancelled, and the petitioner was directed to work at Rongia BPHC in the same capacity. She submits that the order dated 15/9/2025 in no manner causes any prejudice to the service interest of the petitioner, inasmuch as he has been transferred to equivalent post, and the same was only with a view to regularize the postings effected in respect of various members of the service. She further submits that the posting of the petitioner is within the posting effected by the impugned order dated 15/9/2025 in respect of the petitioner is within the same district and under the same DDO, and accordingly, she reiterates that there is no prejudice caused to the petitioner in the postings as affected in his case. Anything more?
No, Lordship.
I've heard the Learning Council for the parties, peruse the materials, dismissed. I'll only provide that dismissal will not be a bar for him to approach you by submitting a representation. If so submitted, consider in accordance with it.
Within a stipulated period.
No stipulated period.
Otherwise,
you continue. You have 7-8 years of service.
Applies.
Got still taken, no results declared.
No result declared.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, what is this?
Lordship, on 19/12/2025, we received an instruction, Lordship, that the publication here in this case, the instruction subsequently on the advertisement published on 21/09/2023 for engagement of the Anganwadi worker and Anganwadi helper.
No, this advertisement is poetry.
Yes, portrait also. And new advertisement published, Lordship. It is 4/3/2024.
Twenty-three কথা কইছে না 24 to cancel করেছে 23 to cancel করেছে
24
কি করব টোটাল ইন্টারভিউ করেছে প্যানেল পড়াইছে অ্যাপ্রুভ করা নাই
Where are these advertisements? 4/3?
Initially 2023 one advertisement was issued. That was cancelled. Subsequently, Lordship, On the 4th March 2024, page 18, advertisement was issued.
4/3/24.
Lordship.
Okay, that is cancelled. You are with 4/3/24.
4/3/2024.
That the director says that the rationalization was not complete and the child development project officer, he had exceeded his jurisdiction in issuing that. So he is not approving this.
Well, let them file affidavit to that effect, Lordship, because
Why?
my lord,
Why?
my lord, already the process started.
That is by the child development project officer. He did it on his own.
He has to answer that, Lordship, whether he has exceeded the jurisdiction or not. To that effect, Lordship, what?
Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the learned senior, additional senior government advocate.
1/3
based on record
4 and 5.
instructions dated 19/12/2025 received by him from the Director, Women and Child Development, Assam. A perusal of the said instructions reveal that the select list published in pursuance to the selection held for various posts of Anganwadi worker and Anganwadi helper in pursuance to the advertisement dated 4/3/2024 was not approved by the director by holding that the approval or that the advertisement was so issued before completion of the rationalization of the various Anganwadi centers under the project. It has been also highlighted in the said communication that the Child Development Project Officer, Lala ICDS project, had issued a notification on 30/11/2023, cancelling an earlier advertisement issued on 21/9/2023, with the further stipulation that the posts involved would be advertised after completion of the rationalization of the Anganwadi centers of the project. Also, the cancellation in view of the contentions raised in the communication dated 19/12/2025, it is seen that the cancellation of the non-approval that the director had not granted approval to the select list prepared by the jurisdictional child development project officer only on the ground that the rationalization process of the Anganwadi centers involved was not completed. Also, the said aspect of the matter, now having come to the notice of the learned counsel for the petition, he shall consider the same and make his submissions thereon on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again on 30/1/2026.
Let copy of that I may be. But another one thing, Lordship. My lord, this part, I think, Lordship, the CDPO is the best person to answer this, because why he has initiated the process without, if there is a direction.
CDPO is just a fry. This is a director's thing.
Yes.
You contest, you bring on record materials. We'll see.
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, although we send that letter, Lordship, but instruction not received, Lordship. Instruction not received, Lordship.
Select list published.
My lord,
You want that select list to be set aside.
my lord. More so, my lord, since my lord, I obtained more mark than the cut-off mark, my lord, so I ought to have been appointed.
So the select list has to be interfered with, set aside. That is your prayer.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, why should we entertain this?
No, my lord, since I obtained more mark than the cutoff mark, my lord. So, my lord,
Where are those selected candidates? They are not party respondents. Yes.
My lord-
How can we pass orders?
my lord, my marks also, my lord, not my lord, my lord.
No, I
given
got
me,
it.
my lord. I have.
Your challenge is to this election, saying that persons lower than me, marks having lower marks than me, have been appointed.
My lord.
Where are those persons?
My lord, I submitted my lord RTI, my lord, those also my lord not given me. my
What
lord.
not given? What was not given to you?
Those documents, my lord, selection list.
So how do you know?
My lord,
Presumption.
no, my lord, presumption not, my, some, my lord, candidates who got less mark, my lord.
So show me, how do you know your marks?
My lord, my marks, my lord, kindly see, my lord, OMR sheet, my lord, page 42. This is OMR sheet, my lord, and page 43, my lord. This is my lord, which my lord question is my lord mark answer, my lord. What answer is, my lord? That is at page 43, my lord. And my lord, after calculation, my lord, I got, my lord, 37 lakh from the written test, my lord. And
Okay, this answer key
my lord,
is for version D.
my lord,
How much marks do you get here?
I got, my lord, 37 marks out of, my lord, 50.
What was the cutoff?
My lord,
Where did you get this? You got it from under RTI?
yes, my lord.
42?
Yes.
Page 42?
Yes.
Where is that RTI reply?
RTI reply, my lord. RTI reply, my page 49.
No, this is not the RTI reply. This is not the RTI reply by which you have got page 42. From where did you get page 42?
My lord.
Where did you get page 42?
Page 42.
Where you call for the interview?
Yes, my lord. I have been called, my lord. I have annexed, my lord, all those documents, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Goswami. What is it?
Lordship, I have to bring the instruction, Lordship.
Well, who prevented you? Who prevented you?
Yes, Lordship.
The last occasion also we have mentioned.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. U. Sharma accepts.
Yes.
In the next date of shall apprise this court about the stand of the respondent with regard.
Next
The selection thing, why should we keep them hanging?
next week, any date, Lords.
On the prayer of Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the respondent, learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondent. Raised it to list this matter again on Kundina Pari, Khali Thaka Di Lage. Do it in June 4/2/2026. On the next date of listing, Mr. Goswami, in addition to others, shall apprise, other issues shall also apprise this court with regard to the marks scored by each of the, by the petitioner, by the petitioner in the selection process. So, it is, Mr. Goswami shall also receive instruction with regard to the contention of the petitioner that he having scored the cutoff marks, comma, contention of the petitioner that although he had scored the scored marks above the cutoff marks, he was not favored with the order of appointment.
Publishing.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, the notice had been issued, and my Lord,
what is the stand of the department?
my Lord, no affidavit till date, my Lord.
This is junior engineer.
My Lord, one post is still lying vacant, my Lord, and this issue has been, my lord, deliberately, my lord, has been taken into account by this honorable court for some similarly situated candidates, my lord, and
Same selection.
same selection, same parties, my lord, and one post is still lying vacant, my lord. If my lordship, I belongs to a very, my lord.
No. Whether you come within the cutoff marks.
Yes, my
within
lord, I
that
got,
valid position.
yes, my lord, the cutoff mark was 113 and I got 127.5, please.
Who is appearing for the respondent department?
No, Lordship, respond number for 1 and 2, I am appearing, Lordship.
Yes, you are the one who has to make the appointment.
Your Lordship,
On site.
before that, your Lordship, APSC has to recommend his name, your Lordship.
His candidature was rejected, Lordship, on the ground that his EWS certificate had expired on the date of advertisement, Lordship.
Okay. When was the advertisement issued?
Uh,
My lord, before my respected friend submits, my lord, the issue that regarding the expiry of the validity has been deliberately held, my lord, discussed by this honorable
We'll
court.
come to that, Mr.
My lord,
Mr.
my
President.
lord.
I got your point.
My lord, advertisement was issued on-
Advertisement was?
My lord, on 24/6/2020, my lord. It is at page 1, my lord, annexure 1, page 23, my lord.
Then last date?
My lord, the last date of the application, my lord. My lord.
24/7/2020, Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
Page number
24/7/2020. Okay, where is the requirement with regard to the EWS in the
My
advertisement?
lord, it is at page 28, my lord, BPL certificate stroke EWS certificate wherever necessary. A prescribed format was not there, my lord, only with the from, my lord, we were required to annex these two documents, my lord, and which I did accordingly, my lord, annex, my lord. Government. It's okay. কৰিবই লাগে মোক ৰাতি নকলা কিয় এনেকে পটকে ক'ত কেনেকে যাম পাৰ্টি আছে তোমাৰ
Okay, where is your BPL certificate? That EWS certificate?
EWS certificate, my lord, may be pleased to find page 33, my lord, annex of 4, my lord.
Yes, madam, why is it bad?
Lordship, the year of issue, it is 2019, Lordship, and it is valid for 1920, the financial year 1920. As per the office memorandum.
The government office memorandum says
Lordship.
that the EWS certificate will be for the year prior to the date of advertisement.
Lordship, that is his financial year that was considered for issuing this.
Naturally, correct, rightly so.
Was 1819. Lordship.
Where do I get it?
Lordship, in the EWS certificate, the first paragraph.
For the financial year 1890.
Lordship. It should have been 1920 and it will have to be issued in the year 2020. In the other case that was considered by this honorable court, their certificates were issued in the year 2020. However, there were some defects in their EWS certificate.
Saying that this was the first time.
Lordship. And another point, Lordship, the petitioner got to know that his candidature was rejected in the year 2020 itself due to the invalid.
He was not allowed to participate in the selection process.
He participated. He was called for document verification also. In the final select list.
When was he called for document verification?
Document verification was held.
My lord, 12/4/2022, my lord.
12/4?
2022.
And when was the reject list published?
Final result was published on 31/5/2022, which was again revised and published again on 29/7/2022 with the
29?
marks of the 29/7/2022. Publishing the marks obtained with the
Yes,
selected.
Mr. Yes.
My lord.
What were you doing for 3 years?
No, no, my lord, what has
The
happened?
select list is no longer alive.
No, select list, my lord, the issue of the select list, my lord, had been dealt with by this honorable
That
court.
is in context of those petitions.
No, no, those.
Now, how can we consider your case after 3 years? You were sleeping, you were satisfied.
No, no, my lord.
You are
my lord,
fancy
my lord,
car.
my lord, may kindly peruse the order, my lord, at page 35, annexure 6, my lord. I approach before this honorable court by preferring WPC 4441/2022. My lord, may kindly have a look at page 35, my lord. Now, my lord, when this honorable court, my lord, interfered, my lord may be pleased to find the operative part, my lord. Page
No,
38.
here the issue of EWS was not there.
No, no, my lord, the disclosure of the marks, my lord, may I read over the relevant paragraph, my lord? By referring to the said notice, it is submission of the learned senior counsel that the notice also ought to have contained the respective marks obtained by the candidate whose roll numbers appear in the notice so as to enable the petitioner to verify the same. Although we have accepted that the aggregate marks of the respective candidate.
No, I got it. They had then published that list on 29/7/2022.
2022.
What did you do there?
My lord, then in that list, my lord, my name did not reflect, my lord. And I submitted an RTI, my lord. On 15/7/2022, my lord.
1 month.
My lord, my lord.
Then 29/15/7.
15/7.
9/15/10. What happened after that? 2/22.
My lord, I am in, my lord, kindly consider, my lord, I am in EWS, my lord. EWS peoples are, my lord.
No, they are only economically backward.
That's why.
The other traits of reservation cannot be assumed, cannot be appraised to them.
No, no, my lord, there is no deliberate and intentional delay, my lord.
No, there is.
Approaching, my lord.
Where have you explained your delay?
My lord, may kindly turn. My lord, may I draw my lordship's attention to para 13, my lord, at page 14, my lord.
I'm sorry, there is no explanation here.
My lord, however, my lord, from however, as there is no government job in the petition.
That is a different thing altogether. That is
my lord.
Applicable not only to you. There are many here.
Many here, but my lord,
You
I
were just sitting tight. You woke up only after this order of this court, and that too after. When did you file this?
No, my lord, I was not sitting tight, my lord. I was also a party in the first petition, my lord. But
First petition, Mr. Bhuya, is not EWS.
That is correct.
It is only aggregate, and that was complied on 29/7/2022. Yes, sorry.
But my lord, as this, my lord, post is still lying vacant, my lord. So in that post, my lord, I can be considered, my lord. In the same my lord, may kindly see, my lord, my fundamental rights, my lord, my right which I have acquired from my selection, my lord, has been blatantly violated, my lord. So for this violation of my right.
And your this EWS certificate is not valid.
No, no, my lord, it has been
considered it's for the year
2020, my lord.
2018-19, and the office memorandum says
my lord,
year prior to the date of issuance of advertisement. That would be 1920.
But my lord, may kindly see my valid for the year 2019 and 2020.
No, they
Very
consider, Mr. That is not the consideration. The consideration is the last but one line of first para of that certificate.
No, my lord, the
18-19 financial year. We don't know whether in 1920 you had crossed the threshold of 8 lakhs.
My lord, I will satisfy, my lord. And my lord, and I have few judgments, my lord. In that cases, my lord, when this my lord person is selected, If there is a delay, my lord, that can be condoned, my lord, while.
So your selection would be subject to you fulfilling the requirements.
Requirement, my lord. That
Some
I
other,
can-
any post left vacant?
Yes, yes, my
Achieve
lord.
that instruction.
Yes, Mr. Kumar, any post left vacant?
So we will have to take instruction.
And anybody above him in the EWS category?
Your Lordship, some names were after this courtier bench judgment, Your Lordship, some petitioners were appointed. So I will have to take instruction whether any other post vacant or not, Your Lordship.
And Ms. Sharma, in that cases, their financial year was 2019-20 certificates.
Their certificates were issued in the year 2020, Lordship. And however, the consideration year was written, there was error in writing the
Because the year was not over.
Lordship.
Mr. K. Kumar, Learned, Additional Advocate General appearing for the respondents, shall on the next date of listing apprise this court as to whether from amongst the posts of junior engineer bracketed civil in the Panchayat and Rural Development Department advertised wide the advertisement dated 24/6/2020, all the posts have been filled up and there remains vacant posts till date. Also, the petition, the Mr. Moore shall also apprise this court on the next date of listing the marks scored by the petitioner in the recruitment exercise, along with the marks scored by other EWS candidates already appointed in pursuance to the selection held in the matter after publication of the advertisement dated 24/6/2020.
Lordship, so far as marks are concerned, Your Lordship, the APSC is the on better footing, Your Lordship.
Mr. Kumar Nalage, Ms. P. Sharma reading. Ms. P. Sharma, Standing Counsel, APSC, shall apprise this court about the marks, court by Sister. Registry to list this matter again on 4/2/2026. Will do?
I'll oblige, my lord.
Right, please. Lordship, we are examining the matter, Lordship. It's a very old matter of 2014, Lordship. So, Lordship, I just pray for 2 weeks' time, Lordship. We are.
Why?
Lordship, the WPC was of 2014.
What were you doing? What was your department doing from 2014? 19 order, what were your department doing? That cannot be a ground, miss.
Yes,
Oh, that cannot be a ground. I'm sorry.
The last occasion, Lordship asked me to put in instruction, Lordship. So this is, Lordship, this is the letter they have sent. 1 week's time, Lordship, they are verifying the claim of the petitioner, her services, Lordship.
Ms. R. Bora, Learned, Standing Counsel, Agriculture Department, who was requested to receive instructions in the matter, submits that the respondents are processing the case of the petitioner and prays that the matter be taken up after 2 weeks, on which date she shall apprise this court about the outcome of the processing being carried out in the matter. So, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter after 2 weeks. Third week, 16/2/2026.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr.
I may be allowed 2 weeks time to file my affidavit in reply.
Mr. A. Dasgupta, Senior Counsel, prays that he be granted 2 weeks. We'll put it in our name. Miss B.
Yes.
B. Das, Learned Counsel, assisting Mr. D. Dasgupta, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioners, prays that she be granted 2 weeks time to file an affidavit
Reply, my lord.
to the affidavit no
Filed by the
filed by the respondent numbers 1 and 2.
I'm appearing for 1 and 2, my lord. I'm appearing for a response of 1 and 2, my lord.
That's what I said.
Yes.
Prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. In the meanwhile, the petitioner shall bring on record their response to the affidavit filed by the respondents.
Obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, I am for the account at the regular. Here my role is limited to GPF only, Your Lordship. Other benefit will be looked after by the department. Department will look after, Your Lordship. So far, Lordship, we have not received a GPF proposal from the department till now.
No review file here. Huh? Where is this? Who is appearing for the departmental officials? One, respond number 1. B. Kaushik. Where is Mr. Kaushik? Get hold of Mr. Kaushik. Bring him.
In this case, we challenge the promotion of the respondents, private respondents. But what has happened, the rules are like, we are graduates with experience of more than 10 years. And the private respondents are postgraduates with the experience of that required tenure, 4 years. In their case, it's 4 years, in our case, 8 years. But we are equally, on equal footing, and we are eligible for the promotion. But what they have done, my lord, they have promoted those with the postgraduates and kept us hanging till date, man. Then, my lord, during the pendency, immediately after the filing of this petition, they made some further promotions. And then at that instant, my lord, we filed the IA. In the IA, direction was granted that the promotion shall be subject to the outcome. So that I think, my lord, that IA can be closed now, and this be placed in the admission column, and we heard immediately, man.
Lordship, my only prayer is that Lordship, similar case Lordship is pending Lordship also, that is WPC number 3350/2024. In that case, Lordship, we have filed our 3350 of 2024.
Same issue.
Same issue, same respondents. And Lordship, in that case, Lordship, the government has also filed an affidavit, and we have also filed the affidavit in that case. So we will rely on that affidavit, Lordship.
Also, Mr. B.D. Goswami, the counsel for the petition, submits that the present writ petition be taken up for admission hearing at an early date. Mr. D.J. Das, learned counsel, appearing for the private respondents. For the respondents number?
Lordship, from 10 to 15, Your Lordship.
Respondents number 9 to 15 submits that.
9 to 1. 9 to 15.
Another writ petition being WPC number 3350/2024 involving the same very issue as arising in the present writ petition is pending consideration before this court. He submits that the present writ petition be taken up along with WPC number 3350/2024. Mr. Bora, learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, submits that an affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him has already been filed in WPC number 3350/2024, and the same will cover this also.
Yeah.
And the same
copy maybe.
And the same will cover the issue arising in the present writ petition. He submits that a copy of the said affidavit would also be furnished to the learned counsel for the petition during the course of the day. Also, in view of the above position, registry to list the present writ petition along with WPC number 3350/2024 for admission hearing on a date to be fixed by it. I ate with Lihidia.
The early disposal is necessary. Early disposal is necessary for the pending for concern.
Okay, it will come. I ate what I go pass.
Your lordship has closed the eye.
No, no, let it be
It is
there. I said it will come for admissions.
Because in other case also I was filed lordship, that is also pending, I think.
Pending, let it be there.
Much obliged.
No.
Happy with lordship. So by tomorrow we'll take refresh steps on response number 1, 2, and 3. Already one time taken, service KD card and service paper was not returned.
But the order is of 26/9.
Yes, sir.
Why have we not taken?
Somehow later, lordship. Sorry for that. By tomorrow itself, we will take.
Oh, that case. Mr.
T. Borua.
D. Borua, Learned Counsel for the petition, for the review petitioner praised that he be given 2 days' time to take fresh steps upon the respondents number 1, 2, and 3 by way of speed post. So prayer accepted. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 1, 2, and 3 by way of speed post within 2 working days from today. So it's straight to list this matter after 4 weeks on a date to be listed, date to be fixed by.
Lordship, here are some recent developments is going on, my lord. So we need for a 3 weeks time to.
Now, what is the development?
Development is that we have complied with the order, and we have found that 4 persons were given an invalid certificate of their experience certificate. So we have give them a show cause notice regarding that they had challenged it under it petition. Now it is under state mail.
And what about the others?
Others, only 4 persons were
How many were there total petitioners?
petitioners. 6 petitioners were.
So rest 2, what happened?
As per paragraph 26, my lord. It has been said that only the terminal, if there is a vacant post, then the remaining candidates shall be put into the list.
So what happened? Have you passed an order in pursuance to this?
No, my lord. I want to put it on the record, my lord.
No, 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 I don't want an affidavit. Where is the compliance order? That you have done this exercise.
Yes, I want to put this into this affidavit by an record.
Your name?
W. Ahmed.
Huh?
W. Ahmed.
W. Ahmed, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number
1, 2, 3, my lord.
1, 2, and 3. Praise that he be granted 10 days time to file an affidavit bringing on record the manner in which the order violation of which is alleged in the present petition is being complied with. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on date to it.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the
Registry to await service of notice upon the await completion of service of notice upon the sole respondent.
Lordship, matter has become infructuous.
Matter have become infructuous. Okay. Miss
S.R. Mazhar Bhuiya.
S.R. Mazhar Bhuiya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the order violation of which has been alleged in the present writ petition, has been complied with by the respondent authorities. Accordingly, she prays that the present contempt petition be closed. Prayer accepted. the order being complied with, the present writ petition stands closed.
Late with your lordship, as per the last order of Lavazima Court, order dated 19/6 to 25, service is complete, lordship.
My lord, I need some time. I have not received instruction. Otherwise,
Same
my
thing
lord.
of order dated 19/6/2025 of the Lavjima Court, which reveals that the service of notice in respect of respondents number 5 to 10 have been completed. Also, accordingly, a registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks for admission hearing. Also, the respondents in the meanwhile shall bring on record their stand by way of filing an affidavit.
May it please, your lordship. My lord, in terms of the order passed on the last occasion, in the IA, if my lord may kindly take up. We have filed our affidavit in reply today, my lord, to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5 and 6, the Assam State Agriculture Marketing Board, my lord. We are on a very limited and a very small issue, my lord. We are regular employees of this board, and for last 11 months, they have withheld us salaries, my lord.
Why?
And that being the reason, man, they have given some reasons like they don't have fund and the board is about to be closed and they are basically trying to revive the board, etc., etc., madam. But fundamentally, our issue is that, madam, the fund which was sanctioned for due process, that is before the assembly, for the year 2025-26, the budget proposal which was sanctioned and approved, they categorically meant a certain portion of the fund to pay the outstanding salaries of these employees who are working now. That fund was released and it is intact with their in their bank account, and they have not released even till date.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, as per last occasion, I stated that we are going to release current salary, Lordship. We already released their 2 months salary on
12-month salaries they have not paid.
9/1/2026, Lordship.
When did you release the current salaries?
On 9/1/2026. 2 months salary. Current salary and additional 1 month salary.
1 month. What about the other 11 months now?
Lordship, what happened? They filed the petition for.
What happened is for you to look into, not for me. I want the only when you are going to pay them.
So when the government will release the fund, we will pay the amount, Lordship. Because earlier we pay the salary to the employees from our own source.
Administrative department, agriculture department.
Yes, Lordship.
We are asking this organization to be closed. We are finding that you are not in a position to operate. Close down. Give them VRS.
They have not opted VRS, Lordship. They have not.
You close down. You give them an option. They will opt.
Already option has been given, Lordship.
They have
not. There's a catch in this VRS, my lord. Now, what happened while they have given this option for VRS, in the process of VRS, they also have given us an option for re-employment. So those who wants for re-employment, or the board will arrange re-employment for them, and we put to challenge an order wherein, my lord, they compelled us to basically take VRS. Now, that is another set of petitions, but the same petitioner has filed. And in that writ petition, court has intervened and has said, my lord, very categorically that you cannot compel them in the name of VRS. So that part the court has stayed, because now, my lord, there are 136 employees only under the board. Now, the recent affidavit that they have filed, they have clearly mentioned that they are not in a mood to close this. They have categorically stated they want to revive this. They want to basically strengthen this. And so they will keep these 136 employees, including us, my lord, in the process. And they are arranging some funds. But I'm not on the funds that they are arranging, my lord. A simple prayer we have, I can show with the documents that they have sanctioned a certain amount amounting to 9 crores and 75 lakhs and some odd to pay our dues, which is lying intact in their account. Now, for 25 to 26, they're diluting all the issues and trying to say that then court has given them a direction also. You utilize that money for us. So why they are not releasing that money?
That amount is in our account, Lordship.
Mr. Gogoi, first and foremost, is there money allotted specific head salaries by the government? Yes or no?
I think that is it,
Yes. So what have you done with that?
What happened, Lordship? I have filed my affidavit. In my affidavit, category.
Forget your affidavit. Tell me what has done.
Lordship, the government says that first we have to settle the issue of the VS employees.
So the director, we send a letter, director
So
send a
the
letter.
letter of the government.
They filed this for repurposing, we filed this petition, they filed this petition.
No, no, where is the letter of the government that without settlement of the VRS issue, their salaries will not be released?
One thing just I want to add, my lord, for VRS also, certain amount were similarly sanctioned. He is trying to dilute the issue.
No,
For VRS,
they
this
are on,
amount was
they
sanctioned.
are on
I think you've
repurposing
given this
lawsuit.
Yes,
earlier
my lord.
also.
Yes,
They
in my.
are on repurposing lawsuit, repurposing.
For VRS, he is trying to dilute this particular aspect with our, my lord, amount which is lying in their account. Basically, my lord.
Mr. Gogoi, show me the bar created by the government interest.
Lawsuit in the head of account is 48 lawsuit.
Page 48.
Page 70 of the IA lawsuit.
Hmm.
They challenge this order lawsuit. Page 70 of the IA.
But this is the
I mean, in the I, my lord, we have filed this, we put to challenge.
30-10-2025.
Lordship.
Read.
Subject regarding the proposal for reappropriation of funds for the financial year 2025 within grant number 48 under head of account so and so. Reference number, FS number so and so, dated so and so. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that the government of Assam has made a budget provision for an amount of rupees 30 crore 50 lakhs only for the financial year 2025-26 under the head of account so and so as grant in aid for the purpose of outstanding regular salary, outstanding a regular monthly salary to
No,
employees.
why are you going and doing this when the money is only for salary?
Yes.
And the VRS thing is only for the people who have opted for that.
Yes, that is the case, my lord.
Why are you mixing up both?
Why are you mixing up?
Mr. Brahman,
Yes, I'm sorry, my lord.
please have a seat.
Reappropriation is as per the budget, we are going to reappropriate the fund lawsuit to meet up the amount to VRS amount.
VRS amount is separate amount, separate head of account.
Same head of same grants. Grant is same lawsuit.
Show me that this amount is also for
40 grant is 40 lawsuit.
Mr. Gogoi. This amount will also be for employees who have opted for VRS to the extent of their claim with regard to area salary. No issue. But the other heads under the VRS, that cannot be covered by this.
Grant is on grant.
See, the VRS employees who are there and the persons who are continuing, they are in the same tag.
Same thing.
Insofar as area salaries are concerned. So why are you going the circuitous route? Release their area salary even to the employees who have taken VRS.
That is also I have to take instruction on.
What instruction?
Because in the affidavit, my earlier instruction is that
Mr. Gogoi, you have received 30 crores, 30 lakhs, 30 crores, 50 lakhs. Out of that, you have received 20 lakhs, 20 crores. Now, this is for outstanding regular and regular monthly salary, EPF, leave encashment, gratuity, etc. Right?
Right, yes.
So, as far as the employees are concerned, they and the old one who have now proceeded on VRS, both are on the same footing. Both will get.
We have received also out of 30, 20 crore and
distributed proportionately. They'll survive. They'll have to survive.
So already we have already.
Or there is some other means of getting income in your organization.
That's
why I'm asking you.
For surviving the marketing, but we have taken some steps lawsuit.
No. Whether without salary also an employee of your organization can survive. Can they survive? Is there any other method available?
No less.
Then?
So we have already released their 2 months salary lawsuit.
2 months is nothing. Peanuts. You tell me when you are releasing their complete 10
So I
months.
have then take instruction lawsuit.
Mr. R.R. Gogoi
And
shall, on the next date of listing, apprise this court as to the period within which the area salaries of the petitioners herein shall be released by the respondents, more particularly the marketing board. Registry to list this matter again on 4/2/2006.
I'm highly obliged.
26.
Also, can it be on 9 or 10?
4.
My lord, we have an interim order in our favor, my lord. Kindly it may be extended.
Interim order, if any, to continue until further orders.
I'm highly obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Morning. Yes, Mr. Das, you wanted something?
Can this matter be taken up next week? Well, I'll just make an attempt to, if I can distinguish with the facts of the appeal.
Okay.
Not
Mr.
It is pardoned, man. Pardoned, man.
Okay. Agor order to cancel. Agor order. It was very no order diana. Heard Mr. S. Das Lanak counsel for the petitioner at some length. Mr. Das submits that he would file a written argument in the matter on the next date of listing and make further submissions thereon. So, in view of the above, restrict to list this matter again on Punina Diotri. Second, we can 13, allow port there. 11 to 100. 11 to 2025.
That's pardoned, man.
No, it cannot. I'll not
It
be.
is pardoned, man.
It all to me here, dear. 17, dear. 17 to 25. So further here.
Highly obliged.
Give me direction to. I lost it, dispose it, lost it.
You are not undertaking. You want a direction from the court. That will be with 12% interest.
Not only interest, lost it. We'll give him within 3 months, lost it, for my own source.
Complete. Including the areas of
The MSCP will give him loss.
MSCP plus that VRS areas, which will now come in.
Yes, again, into another head. So, loss in the earlier case, that there are 2 heads there, loss. So, we have.
But earlier you said there is only one head in the earlier case.
No, loss. 40.
Just now you said there is only one head.
And the same, but head of account was defined.
No, you said it is only one head.
Head of account is.
I will forget after 5 cases, but after one case, I don't forget.
Grant is same. Grant of head is the same. Lordship, regarding here, some time is required because we have to again send his proposal to the department.
Okay. For that, we will give you areas of MSCP within 3 months and areas of the
We have to recalculate his VRS amount, Lordship.
VRS recalculation, recomputation, and payment, another 3 months. 6 months
Lordship.
disposed of. You will get the order on 27.
Obliged.
Yes.
My lord, before starting my defense on the issues involved in this writ petition, I may submit my fear, my lord, before your lordship, my lord, on the ground that we have followed the handbooks of guidelines. And
we have got it.
My lord.
We have got
my lord, your lordship may
We are hearing
allow
it.
me. Your lordship may allow me to make an issue at coordinandum.
That is not none of my headache. If you want to do, you do what you want to do. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, my lord, he is in election course number 10.
On the prayer of the Learned Council for the parties, restrict to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. Pardon, no, no, no. Huh? We were ready what to do.
Nice.
May please, your lordship.
Yes, Mr.
I may be allowed,
Kaushik.
my lord, I may be allowed 2 weeks time to complete my instruction, my lord.
Why?
But I'm appearing for respond number 1, my lord. Here, respond number.
Oh, you were given time on 31/10.
I understand, my lord. Respond number 4 is not being served, my lord. Whereas, my lord, I
We are
have,
not concerned. We have respond number 1 before us,
but
everything.
I have communicated to the responder 1
They are not
to
interested.
to give 2 weeks time, my lord, to complete my instruction. my lord.
When did you submit the certified copy before the director? 12/2.
Yes, my lord. There is an order, my lord, 12/11/24, my lord. Respondent number 4, Mr. Z. Pegu, already appeared, ma'am.
No, fine. We are not concerned with that.
Lordship will give me 2 weeks time, my lord, to complete my instruction.
They are not even, my lord, given
Provisional pension.
Provisional
pension also
pension.
not given.
I,
Why? Such casual thing. Order may be wrong. You go upon appeal. You've not even done that.
my lord,
It's nearly 1 year now.
I've seen
More than 1 year.
more than.
I think this is a case, classic case, where we should draw up contact line.
Lordship will give it 2 weeks time, my lord.
What nothing is going to happen. For another prayer for 2 weeks will come.
But I'll ensure, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. B. Kaushik Lana Council for the respond number 1. Register to list this matter again on 9/2/2025, on which date the respondents shall bring on record the compliance report. Full stop. It is to be noted that it is stated in the bar that against the order dated 8/1/2024, no appeal has been preferred, and accordingly, the directions passed therein has since attained finality. Registry, likhi sana?
I for response number 3.
Grateful.
We are allowing it. We will hold that the application given by this lady to the state government is an application to you, and that will cover the matter. And from that day, she will be entitled and you release it. Get the orders on Monday.
Lordship.
This was all.
And within 3 months,
3 months. At the Lana Council for the parties length. Hearing concluded, judgment reserved. I'll pass the orders. Judgment reserved.
Obliged.
Civic. Disposed of.
Disposed of.
Four.
For your lordship.
Disposed of. I passed the order. I had only correct that. I passed the order already. I just have to correct it. I have corrected it. I'll
My lord,
sign it and it will be approved.
my lord, I'm appearing for item number 4, my lord. The clarification that my lord is on X, my lord, what had happened on the other date, my lord, the entire thing is that the supplementary bill amount and the related surcharge shall be recovered separately, my lord. That has to be recorded, man, in the order.
Done.
My lord.
Current bill will be there in the bills.
Yes, my lord.
The supplementary and the other things will be recorded separately and you will recover it in the manner you know accordance with law.
Yes, my lord.
Not by coercing them to pay it along with by putting it along with the bills. That's all.
Yes,
That's
my lord.
all.
Yes, the ADR and the surcharge, we will take it
You
as
do whatever you want to do.
Yes, my lord. Much obliged.
Will do.
Gracious enough to allow to me appear online, my lord.
Huh?
Gracious enough for lordship to allow me appear online.
It is a permitted way of appearance or it's not a permitted way.
No, the permission has to be still be asked for, my lord. That's I'm gracious.
So then I'll start questioning you now. Where is your gown?
My lord, the gown is.
We can't see you. Without the gown, how can I see you? I could.
No, gown is there, my lord.
So we will not accept your appearance. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, that's the minimum
Gown
requirement.
is there, my lord. Gown is there. Maybe
No, it's down there. It's not there. So we are done. No logo.
No, it's there. Master.
Great coffee.